Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, and welcome to Martyn Lucas Investor. We are slightly red this morning. Because of the jobless figures. The jobless figures have just come in slightly higher than expected. In other words, less people jobless. Of course, the Fed is trying to cool the markets down, trying to bring down inflation, trying to reduce rates. And of course, this is a potential indicator for the rates maybe holding for longer, which is exactly what I said. I said we're not going to get rate cuts until the spring, until the summer. But it's not a massive miss. It's only a small amount, and we've had consistent stability in the job market now for months. It's only a very, very slight uptick. Not a major concern for me, hence why, though, I am very predominantly in J&J and Coca-Cola, defensive stocks, solid stocks. That's the biggest part of my portfolio. It's not going to be a major problem, I don't think. It is why the markets are down very, very slightly, but again, the markets are down more than I am. If I look at the S&P 500, the overall market is just trending down slightly at the moment. And in fact, we're coming up already. We might even turn green very quickly. Anyway, let's welcome everybody in. Our first guest that was here before, during the live show, that is John Granfors. Good morning, John Granfor. Who is John Granfor? We'd like to welcome all our members in. You can see him there. One of our members. These are our members. If you buy yourself something from the shop, a mug, a t-shirt or whatever, and send a picture in. Here's John with his cowboy hat on, just there, look. We put you on the show here, and we want to add more pictures. We're going to bunch those up. We're replacing the older ones with some new ones, and it'd be nice if you sent your pictures in. All right, great stuff. Let's get straight into our positions and have a little look at where we are this morning. Let's have a look. As you can see, our overall portfolio is very slightly down, $44, and that's of a balance of $120,000 of stock. So it's hardly a ripple on the pond at all, okay? The Roth IRA is actually green, and there is the total number. Now, when I said about 120,000, that's what I mean. My total share positions, brokerage holdings, 107 plus 15,000. So there you go. In fact, it's about 125, isn't it? Thereabouts. So anyway, in fact, more than that, about 128,000. That's what I have in shares. All right. So the fact we're down that much, we're still holding above 76, still aiming at $80,000 by the end of the year, which of course is just 3 days away. Will we make it? We shall see. Let's go through now and see what is moving today. We've got some comments coming in now. Good day, Jason Fallon. Good morning, Francesco Santos. Good morning. Good morning. John Granfors, I think you saw your Sidus Space last night, didn't you? That was your video, Sidus Space. I think you were in the chat last night during the presentation. Here is Sidus. If anyone missed it, this is the latest review. In fact, let me just refresh that screen, because I think that's out of date already. There we go. Thought so. Sidus was 267 views. There we go. So let's share that link. Give everyone the link here. This was John Granfor's video last night. Sidus Space, that one there. Let me just refresh this a minute. There we go. There we go. Share the link. Copy the link. I'm sure you already have it. John, I think you saw it, but anyway, I did than you. Oh, I did than you. What do you mean? Sidus. There you go. There is the video. Sidus Space, if you missed it. Now, it's also done for Paul Knowles. Is Paul Knowles in the show this morning? So I can cross that off the list. Paul Knowles. Is Paul here? Not yet. Is Pat M here? No. Is R3A? R3A. No. Is Michelle for Disney? I might need to take some of these off the list if they don't reply soon. I just want to make sure everybody got their video. Good morning, Rallo. Good morning, anyone in here holding or buying CAUD. No, I don't hold it, and I'm not buying it. I don't know what it is. I've never reviewed it, so I have no idea what that is. Let me just check the studio a second. Yep, all looking good. Kamala Dahal, good morning to you. Welcome to you. Back and lean and soon green as a bean. T.O. roll, love it. I did than you. I'm not sure, than you I. I'm not sure what that means. Oh, we're green again. We're not going to turn the studio. I did thank you. I need more coffee. Okay, good. So now I know what you mean. Right, let me just check the comments. Make sure I haven't missed anything. No, all comments good. Held for review. Yeah, no, I'm on top of all the comments as well. Okay, good. Now then, welcome our guest this morning. We got a nice audience this morning on TikTok. Very nice indeed. Let me welcome our guest on TikTok this morning and introduce you to the world. We're actually on every platform. YouTube is our home, but we're also on Facebook, Twitch, LinkedIn. We're everywhere. And you're watching my YouTube broadcast. If you want the best experience, talk to the biggest traders, the best traders, the smallest traders, the 95% of the retail investors for Virgin Galactic, they're all in my YouTube channel. That's where they are. If you want to click up here, find my all links button, or you can find hello there, Fight Channel. He's in TikTok right now. Let me put you on the screen so you can see. This is my, there you are. Hey, look, Bill's just popped in. Bill's going for the top fan of the day. Look at that. See that roselet he put on the screen? That was Bill there. Bill is one of our, is Bill one of our, no, he's not. He used to be. He used to be one of our Luca badge owners. If you look up here, there's a little star. Can you see when it, yeah, they are. See the little star, look? If you click the star, you become one of our Luca badge owners and you get exclusive content. I make things especially for you, promote your channel, tag you in my viral post, try to introduce you to my audience. All right, there you go. Fantastic. There's Bill on the screen. Right, let's get back to the stocks there. I also, we're just bouncing around the green. I also want to introduce our audience this morning across all our platforms before we get into our next review. So let me do that right now. So here we go. Let me start by introducing, saying hello this morning to everybody on LinkedIn. Good morning to you on LinkedIn. How are you this morning? There's my Rumblers as well. Good morning. Hi all. Let me welcome all of you in. How are you all doing? If you have a question, ask me and I will answer it the best way I can. Good morning to our kickers. Thank you very much indeed for joining me there this morning. And good morning to all our audience on X as well. Thank you very much. Have I got any X comments to answer? Let's have a look. Winner of the Best Fan Award is... Fight Channel. He's the winner of the Best Fan Award is me. I love this. This very good. Well, you are certainly up there in the top. There's no doubt about it. Good luck. I'll tell you on the last day how you can take advantage of anything you may have missed. So good luck to you. He's fighting it out with there's about 10, 15 people who are up there. Go, 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 says Mike. Yes, yes. Hopefully we'll turn green in a few moments' time. If you reply to me and comment, I will always reply back to my members. There you go. I want to welcome in a new member this morning on X. I've had a few here. Guy Branston. I've actually invited him to join me for an interview. This is Guy Branston. He's the owner of the CEO of Game Changer Football Agency. There you go. And I've invited him to join me. Should I just reply and say, what should I do? What should I put? Let me reply to this. I have your your X account live now on my show. Okay. It was 15 minutes in from the beginning. There we go. So this is an interesting business. I'm trying to learn more about it. All right. Okay. Okay. Let's see if he responds to that. Be cool, wouldn't it? What else have we got here? Maybe not. Maybe, but not. Mike's certainly giving it a good go this year. Mike won it last year. Will he win it this year? Well, there's a few people fighting it out. It's going to be tight this year, I'll tell you. It's going to be very, very tight this year. Let's go back to our main position. Bill is here. I am from Nepal. Kamala Dahal. Kamala Dahal from Nepal. From Nepal, I beg your pardon. If you became a member of our channel, we would fly the flag for Nepal. We have nobody yet from Nepal. We have 47 countries. Nobody is flying the flag for Nepal. Nepal, I beg your pardon. So, oh, you rejoined. Oh, gosh, I got 3. We just got Bill. Who else have we just got there? We've just got 3. 3 of you. Let's have a look. Who else was it? Let me scroll down. We just got 2 more. We just got 2. Bill. Who was the other person? Someone else has just become a Luca badge owner on on TikTok. I just see that popped in. Welcome to you. I wonder who it is. Who was it? I wonder who just did that. I wonder who it was. We got 2 this morning. Fantastic. So what I'll do is later on, I will tag you in my viral posts. All right. And I'll make sure that I tag you in. When I post a video, I'll put you in it. Can't see from here. That's you, Bill. Yeah, I can see you, Bill. I can see you. But there was one other. And the other one, I don't know who it is. It doesn't say on the screen. Anyway. So let's move on a minute. I will tag you later on, Bill. I'll check who my subscribers are, and I will tag you in it. That's awesome. What, from 1 to 3? Very, very nice. All right. Just another highly shorted stock. CEO bought maybe 100,000 shares back. It's basically bottomed at 130. I am keeping my eyes on CAUD. Maybe worth taking a look at. Mad Max. If you become a member of my channel, I will do a full review for you. Go into it, make friends online, on X, Instagram with the CEOs, get to learn about it, make videos on it. You know how it works. You have to be one of my members, though, for that perk. It's a members only perk. Let me put it there in the chat if you wish to become a member. All right. Bets is hard. It's a hard ride. Jack Handel, rejoin TikTok. Thank you very much, Bill, for your support. I wonder if it was Fight Channel who's done it. It doesn't say on the screen. I'll find out later when I look. Anyway, Sava review. Where is it on the list? Sava, S-A-V-A, on the list is now, where is it? Let's have a look. Delph. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 down the list, and the top, and there's 2 more above you, so it's 7. But those 2 probably won't be done because I keep asking them to review the stock. Confirm it, and they're not here. So you're probably about 7 down the list. But remember, a super chat will take you to the top of the list, and we'll do it this morning. Mad Max said, "Thank you. You're very, very welcome." All right. Okay. Now then, Virgin Galactic is down very slightly, but we hit new highs, recent highs yesterday. We've got still a good, strong uptrend going on. Very, very good. Virgin Galactic is looking good now. We've got the flight. Who is joining me for that very special occasion? You know what I mean? Upcoming live streams. If we look here, there she is, Paris Hilton. How many people have already clicked and got their ticket for this event? Let's have a look. Are you joining me for this event? Let me give you the link. This is the Paris Hilton show. Is she going to be on that flight? Is it going to be our biggest day for Virgin Galactic? So here it is. I'm going to call it the Paris Hilton Virgin Galactic event. Virgin Galactic event. Okay. Join me live. You don't want to miss it. So I'll give you the link now, and you can put a like on it, leave a comment on it, share it. Make sure that you've clicked the share button, got the whole world to join in on this one, because this could be a big event for Virgin Galactic. So there you go. You can click like, you can click reminder, the little bell, and so on and so forth. So let me give you, and also you can drop a chat in there. If you go to live chat, that way you'll always see what's being said. See there, look, live chat. Chris Coyles is just jumped on in. Bill, Go Space. Dawn Potteris. That's not a real name, by the way. Right, let me give you the link then. There it is. There's the Paris Hilton event. I'll give it you 3 times so it stands out. I'll pin it to the top for the minute so you can find it. Let me go and give it to my LinkedIn audience. You don't want to miss this one. I'll also go and give it to my Kick audience. All right, there you go. I'll give it to my Rumble audience. You don't want to miss this either. There you go. And what about on Facebook? There you go. You don't want to miss this one. And we've got something else to tell you about as well. Very exciting. Let me drop it in there. Okay, there we go. And finally on Twitch. There we go. Finally on Twitch. Very, very good. All right, excellent stuff. So then, we got 14 likes at the minute. Can we invite her? Absolutely right. That's why I'm building up an X account, an Instagram account, and tagging her and messaging her. Absolutely right. That's why I'm making friends with everybody. Can we invite her on the show? Would that be good, wouldn't it? Right. What's going down? Virgin Galactic is just holding. Palantir getting cheaper. I'm not in it. Gold. Oh, that's right. So I need to mention tomorrow on the closing bell, lots of you, I think are 12 actually, I think 12 of you have reached out to our first CEO on the show, Jeff Boots, DMG, the gold mine, Diversified Mineral Group. And we're going to be in on the gold mine when before it pre-IPOs. We have our convertible notes now. And we're going to have, and you can put your questions to the CEO once again. He's going to be live on the show tomorrow for the closing bell. Look, upcoming live streams. Meet the CEO. You don't want to miss this show. This is tomorrow night, tomorrow closing bell. Let me give you the link. Here we go. This is tomorrow closing bell. You can already put a like on it and so on and so forth. This is Meet the CEO. If you want to ask questions about the gold mine, Jefferson Boots will be live on our show. And this is on closing bell Friday. Okay. Let me give everybody the link to that. So if you want to book your ticket for that one, okay. I'll replace that in a minute. Meet the CEO. All right, we're talking gold mines. That's tomorrow night. Closing bell. Make sure that you share it, be part of it. There is Meet the CEO. Neil's just said, Kathy sold a bunch of Palantir yesterday. Yes, I'm not in it. Waiting for it to go down. I'll buy it for around about 14. S&P, Amazon, up but pulling back. Apple, nearly bought some yesterday. Next Era Energy, just trimmed off slightly. Enphase Energy, I can still lower my average though. My average is 62. I could buy it now, but I bought it at 50. I'd much rather buy it down there and have a big cushion. I've got enough in it, but it's a big stock. Oh, by the way, has anyone seen the latest information? J&J is a 2x now, can double. Many analysts think this is going to double. It's a top stock. It's why it's my biggest single position. $25,000 worth of J&J. Now, let me tell you my strategy for J&J, what I'm going to do. This is what I'm going to do. J&J, at the moment, is only slightly up. I was already in it. I didn't sell out like Jim Cramer. Talks rubbish. I just kept buying the dip. So the average kept coming down, but I'm only slightly in the green at the moment. A couple $100, right? 0.89. So if I sold any shares right now, I would be selling the shares for a loss, which is fine on paper. So the plan is this. This is my plan. Not now, but as we go into the new year, because I don't need to do any more tax losses. I'm going to pay very little tax anyway, if any at all. Next year, going into January, as soon as Robinhood open up the Roth IRA for 2024, which is January the 1st, I will have the opportunity to put $7,500 into a Roth IRA. I will instantly get 3%. Make sense? You see where I'm going with this? So what I'm going to do is this. January the 1st, January the 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, there's not an exact date, doesn't matter. I'm going to... Jojo S, J&J. Are those the same Wall Street analysts that know nothing? What do you think? That's right, exactly. But it's what they're saying. Anyway, listen. So what I'm going to do is sell $7,500 of J&J. On paper, I will lose money. I will then send that money to my brokerage account. Now, some of you will say, but surely if you sell 7,500, you'll still have margin, so you'll be still holding margin at 8%. That is true. That is true. However, if I hold the stock, sell the stock, if I hold the stock here on my brokerage, I'm still paying 8%. Doesn't make any difference. Okay. So I'm going to sell it. On paper, post a loss, so I won't actually be doing a gain. It's not about tax harvesting because it's going to be next year anyway, but it will still count for next year. And I can buy it back on a different account, and that's okay. But anyway, it's not about the tax harvesting, so it's not what I'm trying to do anyway. What I'm trying to do is take $7,500 out of J&J, then rebuy it on my Roth IRA. I will instantly get 3%. Now you'll say, yeah, but you're gaining 3 and you're spending 8, so you're out of pocket by 5. That is correct, but I'd have the 8 anyway if it stays where it is. So it makes no difference, right? I'm still in margin at the moment. I don't want to sell the stocks. I want to pay them off with good old-fashioned earning money, right? And my income is on YouTube, right? So what I'm going to do is sell 7,500 if that's the allowance for next year, which I think it is. Take it over to my Roth IRA. On paper, I've made no money. Rebuy it back for the same price. Now, if it's gone up slightly, you might say, but you've not bought the bottom anymore. It doesn't matter because I banked the profit. If you buy a stock at 10 and it goes up to 20 and you sell it for 20, you've made a profit between here and here, and you buy it back at 20, you've still got this profit. You don't lose it. Yes, your average is higher, but you've still got your money, right? So I'm going to buy it back on my Roth IRA. So on paper, I lose money, but I buy it back at the same price. If I'm lucky and it drops by 0.89, maybe I can get it slightly cheaper. But I'm going to do it the same moment. I'm going to buy it now. I'm going to sell it now and buy it now. I'm going to do it in like seconds, right? Then as the price rises, those gains will be tax-free. because I want more and more of my money in my Roth, not my brokerage account, because I pay tax on my brokerage account. And then the dividends that I get from J&J will be paid into my Roth IRA, tax-free. Whereas now they're being paid into my brokerage and I'm paying tax on it. Or at least I would if I sold it. I know I don't sell it, but the point is I've got the I've got the dividends and I'm effectively paying tax, right? At some point you've got to sell, right? So if I take it to my Roth, I can then earn that money tax-free. So ultimately, that's what I want to do. Now, you can only do by 7,500, which is fine, because if you've got margin like I have, and I sold all of my shares of everything, I can't transfer it all to the Roth anyway. But imagine if I could. Imagine if I could sell everything and put everything in a Roth so I would earn tax-free. What would happen? I would get an instant margin call, because I would still owe all that money on margin, but I've got no shares. So I would be right. I mean, it wouldn't allow me to do it, but if I did it right up to the margin line, I would be instantly on a margin maintenance line. So I'd have to find money to put in. Well, I haven't got any money to put in. So, that's what would happen if I did the whole thing, but I'm not going to do that anyway. I'm just explaining what would happen. You still owe the margin just because you've sold the stock and then moved it to your Roth. You still owe that money. So the fact it's only allowing me 7,500 is not a problem because my margin maintenance line, I think I can show it you now, is miles and miles and miles away. Let me share with you. So here we go. I always have to check that I'm not going to show my account number. So here's my margin. Let me show you how I get to this. So here's my brokerage. Remember, I've got no margin on my Roth. You can't have margin on a Roth, right? But click the buying power here, and you see there's my margin, low risk, right? I have you have $20,000 margin buffer, 34%. My stock would have to drop 34% for me to get a margin call, and then at that point it would still drop further anyway. So it's a long way down. So fine, but you see that there? Look, you can see it quite clearly. But if I sell 7,500 of J&J. And then I send that 7,500 to my Roth, which I can do. I can also take it and put it in my own bank account. I can draw it out. I'm paying 8% on that money, right? So I take it across to my Roth IRA. I earn 3% instantly. So now I'm only paying 5% on that money. Now that rate is going to come down in the spring, potentially, to maybe from 8 to 6, so 5 to 3, somewhere like that. That's what it's going to cost me. So I'm basically at a wash. And then I've got the dividends covering the actual interest payments tax-free. And that can stay there, earning me money tax-free, covering the interest, even though it's on the other account. Overall, my balance is covering it, right? And then I can start paying it down and without selling the stocks. So that is my strategy. That's what I intend to do on January the 1st, 2nd, 3rd. There's no real date. It doesn't really matter. If the stock is down, I sell it down, I buy it down. If it's up and I sell it up, I buy it up. It doesn't make any difference at all. It's a wash sale. All right? Okay. Let's read your reaction and comments to that. Let's have a look. Morning all, Ed Nevius. Good morning, Ed. How are you this morning? Lovely to see you. Does that all make sense, everybody? Jojo S is laughing. Yeah, we're talking about the analysts. Morning, Ed. Hey, John. Only if it fits your narrative, Jojo. Only if it fits our narrative. Yeah. We only agree with the analysts if it fits our narrative. Yes, good strategy. There you go, Jojo S likes it. I'm happy now. Niels, he's smiling. Best live YouTube channel in the world. Universe, Bill says. Universe, absolutely right. Yes, Martyn. Can you also be tax resident in the UK? There could be benefits worth checking. Example, stocks and shares, 20 grand free. Yes. Jojo S, this is a very good question. That is a very good question, and I'll explain why. I've been chasing that down for ages. Yes, I am a full tax resident of the United Kingdom. I have a home in England. I have a bank account in England. I have a national insurance number. It's not called social security number in England. National insurance number, a tax ID, and everything. I mean, I'm a full British citizen, just like anyone living there, just like you, Jojo. Right? So, yes, I have all of that. Do you know what's really frustrating, though? And this makes no sense to me at all. No sense to me at all. I have now got the UK Robinhood. Even with the new email. Remember I asked you all to click on it and so on. I cannot set up a UK account. I spoke to Robinhood and they said currently you can't have a Robinhood account in both countries. And I went, why the hell not? I am a completely different entity in each country. I am a green card holder in the United States with a social security number, an address, and a bank account, a business, an LLC, you name it. I'm also a British citizen and I have all of that in the UK. I'm entitled to a Roth IRA, or as we call it in the UK, an ISA, individual savings account, and which is what they're going to have on Robinhood, or what apparently they do. But they said, you're not allowed to use Robinhood twice. And it's like, but I'm a completely, you wouldn't even know I was the same person, because I will have a different address, a social security number in one country and a national insurance in another, a different bank account, a different address, different citizenship, different ID. What are you talking about? And different email. The only thing that would be the same would be my actual legal name. Well, there are probably thousands of people with my name. So you can't say only one Martyn Lucas in the whole world's allowed an account, because what about the other thousands of Martyn Lucases? So I don't understand what they're talking about. I don't think they expected anyone to say this. So I don't understand it. But answer your question, Jojo S. Yes, I can have a account in the UK. But the thing is, though, when it comes down to it, I haven't got any money anyway, because all the money is here in this account. I send what I need to the UK to pay my council tax and water rates and stuff like that. What have you, because I've still got to pay a little bit of bills to keep the house. But I'm not going to take out more money from my brokerage account, because I would I'd be paying 8%. So there's no real point doing that. If the margin came down to 1%, then fine. I send it, put it in a Roth, earn 3%. But anyway, I don't know if an ISA does a match anyway, but it certainly does in the here on Robinhood. Anyway, I hope that answers your question. Good morning, family. Wall Street analysts, they're rubbish. Go DB. They probably don't want to let you have two accounts in two countries because you can buy and sell to manipulate the market. Oh yeah, absolutely. Me and my YouTube channel, my Lucas Aids, we can manipulate. Yeah, I was going to do it to Apple. I was going to buy millions of shares of Apple and then transfer to England and then buy them back really quickly and then send them backwards and forwards. Yeah. Probably that. If you can generate some new income in the UK, then it might make sense. Just so you know, my income that I have on YouTube or my Roth IRA or whatever, I can send money to the UK. I do it all the time using TransferWise. I don't pay any fees to send money to the UK. It's the XE rate, so it's not the bank rip-off rate. It's the XE rate, the flat rate. So, I get a good deal, and I've told everybody about that. If you want to use that, I'll give you my referral for it. But if you want to send money to one country to another, that's how you do it. I use TransferWise. Anyway. I guess it's the same thing anyway. I don't have enough money to require a bigger allocation to my Roth or ISA. I don't. So even though you're saying it, Jojo S, it makes sense. I don't need another $7,000. I haven't got that much money to fill it up. I mean, $7,000 is enough, is a lot for me to find every year to max it out anyway. I haven't got enough money to max it out even more. Maybe in the future, but certainly not today anyway. I would have never mentioned anything to them about you being in 2 different countries, just like my dad used to tell me, never ask permission, just beg for mercy. I don't. I'm not going to try and lie and manipulate it. I'm going to tell them the truth. I mean, there's nothing wrong with saying I've got 2 addresses. I mean, I'm not the only person who has 2 addresses. I mean, it's not. I'm not the only person. It doesn't make me a strange person, does it? It's not an odd situation or anything. So I don't lie anyway. I'm not going to lie about anything, let alone something that's completely no need to lie about. I mean, I don't. This is all This is honest and straight up front stuff here. We got to be straight about everything, and I'm not going to pretend. Anyway, I'm live on YouTube every day, and we're getting bigger and bigger. I tell everybody everything. There's no reason to lie or make stuff up. Didn't they change their name to Wise? Yes, they did. T.O. Roll, they did. And I've got, if anybody wants that to referral, I've got it. And you can get $50 if you send some money or whatever. Anyway, well, Bill, how are you doing today? Gotcha. Jojo S. All right. Zed Hink. Martyn, I stumbled into a Space Perspective and can't seem to find if it's public traded but will rival Space. Have you heard of this company? I've stumbled into Space Perspective and can't seem to find any find it's public traded but will rival SPCE. What's it called? Space Perspective. Zed Hink. I've never heard of it. Send me a link on Discord and I'll take a look. 15 minutes ago before the bell goes. Virgin Galactic dropping off this morning. Perfectly healthy. We've still got a very good upward trend over the 3 months. It's perfectly good. This is what you want to see. We don't want to straight up. I know everybody wants it to go boom, but what we don't really want boom, we want steady. 10 weeks old. Who's 10 weeks old? Bill, who's 10 weeks old? Who's 10 weeks old? I've got no idea who 10 weeks old is. Ollie, how are you? What-eyed the meaning of life? I've had enough. Ollie JG, what-eyed the meaning of life? I've no idea what that means, Ollie. Come back to me and rephrase it. I've no idea what you mean, but I'd love to answer your question anyway. Palantir going down, gold. So, if you want to talk to the CEO directly of our gold mine, I am in it before it IPOs. He's going to be live on the show on Friday, tomorrow, closing bell. Get your questions to me. He's going to be live on the show. It's going to be very, very exciting. You don't want to miss it. So I hope you'll join me for that. Just checking my messages, making sure everything's good. Yep. Sent you the link. All right. Now, where did you put it? Did you put it in links for YouTube? Did you do the right thing? No. Where did you put it? Oh, you sent it to me via a private message. The balloon thing. No, I've seen this. It's interesting though, isn't it? Space Perspective. Yeah, I've heard about this balloon thing. It's completely different technology, of course. It's very, very different. It's pretty cool, though. But it hasn't been proven either. It's not effective yet. But I have been looking at this. Thank you for sharing it with me. I'll take a fresh look at it. But I don't see it as a competitor to Virgin Galactic. I did look at it before, but I don't think it's a publicly traded company at the moment. It's a very different thing. I think I prefer going on an actual plane rather than a balloon. Just saying. Anyway, thanks for sharing that. A lot cheaper. Yes, a lot cheaper and a longer flight. I'll take more of a look at it. Thank you for sending that to me. Appreciate it. Yeah, I'll have another review of that. That might be worth another look. Thank you very much for sending that in. Right, let's pop into the breakfast bar this morning. Every morning we pop in the breakfast bar. We want to see all our viewers, all our Lucas aides in the breakfast bar. Let's go and have a look. Who's popped in? Who's letting me down? Who's doing it? Right, we got Mike Rallo. There's Mike, as always. He earns his point. There we go. Thank you, Mike, with his mug. Love it. Let me put a like on it. He's the only one right now. What's going on? I want everybody else in the breakfast bar this morning. Okay. No, it's private. I thought, yes, it's a private company. Yes, not a publicly traded company. I thought so. I'll take another look at it, though. What do I think about AST Space Mobile? I don't know. I've never reviewed that one. CY, become a member. I'll do a full up to 1 hour video on it and review it for you. Here's the membership link. You get many perks. Don't forget the members. When it's your birthday, you should get a card from me on email, and then we celebrate it in the show as well. Don't forget to remind me if it's your birthday. Tag me in it if you do a review. Zed Hink. Okie dokie. Please, tag me in it. Well, you won't miss it, Zed Hink. Is that what you mean? You don't want to miss the video? Basically, the video comes out. It'll come here in my videos, just there. It'll come out, and you'll be notified. If you've rung the bell, you'll be notified anyway. So I can't tag people in a video. It just notifies you if you've rung the bell. And what I mean by that is this. If you click subscribe, and you can go and check it now by unsubscribing for a moment. Click subscribe, make sure the bell is set. If the bell is set to all, you'll be notified. And then all you got to do then is make sure that you've got your notifications turned on your device, and you'll be notified of the videos as they come out. You won't miss them. And they're also, another top tip, if you look on the channel, if you see a video without a red line, it means you've not watched it. See that? That's the upcoming live streams. That's the TV guide. I've not watched those because they haven't happened yet. But all my videos, look, I've watched. See? Can you see how they got lines like that? I just realised, why is that up there? That's a short. Why is that in there? That's a bit weird. Oh, have I alpha spread? Just bear with me a second. I've just noticed I've done something wrong on my account. Got to fix that straight away before I forget. Content. Shorts. Which one was it? I'll be right back. I'm just going to fix this. SIDU. I've just put it in the wrong playlist. I don't want that. 2 playlists. Yeah, take it out of there. Shorts. There we go. How did I do that? Just bear with me a second. Just fixing a problem. Think I fixed it. Now then, if I refresh that page, that should have gone from the shortlist. There you go. Thought that was weird. There you go, alpha spread. Anyway, right, back to what's important, what's going on. Stock's going down. at the minute. I want to buy in early, Zed Hink. It's private now, though, isn't it? Is it going public? Is any information that's going public? Let me have a look. Are they going to want to raise some funds? Let me have a look. You gave me the link a minute ago. Let me go back to that. Interest in traveling is to learn about our suborbital space tourist experience. Let's see if they have plans to go. Space perspective. Let me have a look. Jason Fallon's trying to win some points. Yeah, he got muted on Stockwitz for liking too many of your posts. You'll be unmuted soon. It's fine. I like that. That's funny. So what's it called? Space perspective. We got time. Have we got 9 minutes? Space perspective. Let's have a look here. Let's try and find out if they plan to go public. Will Space Perspective IPO? Let's have a look. Oh, wet. Let's try and find out. Based in Florida. It's raised money privately, but doesn't say if they're going to go public. They're a private company like SpaceX at the moment. But that's interesting, though. I will keep my eye on that. Yeah. I wouldn't mind having a look at that pre-IPO. So the way I'll do it is if I can meet the CEO and get to talk to them like Jeff Boots. All right, that's the way to do it. Couldn't buy any shorter flight time. Jojo S. I've often wondered about launching a spacecraft from balloons as they get the craft extremely high before launching. Yeah, I've often thought about it. Yeah, Martini Racer, he's thinking of doing it. He's thinking of launching it from the back of his yacht. I think it's a great idea, Martini Racer. When you sort that out, let me know and I'll buy shares in your company, right? I'm up for that. I would like that. That'd be good. Just get busy with the kids and things. Zed Hink, I understand that, mate. You're a proper human being, mate. You're a real person, not like me sitting here all day. You've got family. You've got responsibilities. I like it. That balloon is nothing compared to Virgin. It also lands in the sea. Then a boat comes to pick them up. Yeah, completely different. Yeah, that's not 5-star travel, is it? I totally agree. That's a bit like, what's his name? Blue Origin. Jeff Bezos. That's why I don't like that either. It's more expensive and it plops down in the desert. I'm sorry, that's not what you want. We've now got reusable rockets. We've got SpaceX going up and landing. In the future, we don't just plop into the sea. We don't just plop into the desert. We land on a runway. We land vertically, or we land on a runway and we get out and we walk into the restroom, and everything's nice. All right, I don't know why I mentioned walk into the restroom. That's hardly the priority, is it? Hang on a minute. Has it got a toilet? If it got a toilet, I'm buying it. All right, you get my point though, right? If I'm spending a lot of money, I'm flying into space, I'm an astronaut, I'm very cool, I'm very rock and roll, and I'm landing properly. I'm not just dumping in the desert. No, I don't think that's futuristic. I don't think that's modern enough. That's not sexy, cool enough. I don't think that's the way forward. So that's what I think, and I'm sticking to it. Right. You ready? Time to get busy with the fizzy. Everybody, come on. You're letting me down this morning. 75 watching. Let's do it. Have you all subscribed? And if you're new here, in fact, not if you're new here, just if you come any day, right? You've got to tap the like button every day. Why? If you don't like the video, That's fine. I might not like you. It's absolutely fine. If you don't like it, just tap the down like button. I don't care. I'm not here to try and get subscribers or likes. I'm just here to get the best, most live, most real, most engaged channel on YouTube TV. Do something. Don't just sit there and do nothing. We have 99.5% is our up like rate, but only 50% of you are signed into Google. I've never known why people don't sign in. It says you've got to create an account, and people think, oh, I've got to be a YouTuber. No, you don't. You just have an account and you get on with it. That's all you got to do. Anyway, 30 likes. We've got 77 watching. We've got 5 minutes before the bell. We're red at the moment. Let's refresh it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 30 likes is now 32. There we go. A little bit low today, but we are nearly, well, yeah, we're nearly 50%. So it's about right. But let's do it again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 32. Now that is over 50%. That's what I expect. There you go. Thank you very much, guys. It's more than I deserve anyway. Very, very good. All right. Very, very good. Thanks a lot. Appreciate it. Agree with Francesco, but it's a quarter of the cost. Yes. Got muted on Stockwits for liking too many of your posts. Well, you know what you got to do, Jason? Keep on top of it. It's because you let it all go. It's because you got behind. Don't get behind. You get behind, mate, you pay a penalty. See? Don't get behind. I did. Oh, Mike. Mike, could you tell me? Because you got timed out before. Mike, can you now like on Stocktwits again? Let me give you the link. Here's my Stocktwits. Oh, 87 notifications. I see it. Look, this is Jason Fallon. Look, 87. He's just got a lot of points for the competition, by the way. So there you go. Here is, there's my Stocktwits. Mike, can you go and see if you can like again now? I want to see if you've been unmuted. So we can learn to see if you get muted for doing it too much, can you then get unmuted if you wait a bit? So can you go and check for me to see if it's working now? I'd appreciate that. I'd like to know if it's working now. All right. Anyway. John Granville, what do you think of Plug, midterm, long-term? Fantastic. I've got Plug. I'm holding Plug. It's because the CEO isn't very popular. He doesn't come across very well, does he? On one of the earnings calls, we were like debating whether he was drinking or not. But I'm fine with Plug. I hold Plug. I'm not going anywhere with it. I'm fine with it. Loot in Space. Now that's an investment. There you go. Yeah. Excuse me. Which way to the toilets? I want to have a pee in space. Oh, do you? You want to be the first person to pee in space? Get out of it. Are you telling me all the astronauts that have come up here on space, they've never been... Yeah, well, there you go then. So don't make out it's anything special. I want a toilet. All right? I'm not flying with you unless it's a toilet. Well, you're asking a lot, mate. Really? I'm supposed to hold myself for like 4 hours, 10 hours? I mean, what? What's going on here? I need to... No, it won't let me. It won't let you. So once you've done it too many times, it won't let you. Wow. I didn't know that. Wow, wow, wow. So you can't do anything now. Let's have a look. Yeah, Greedy Shorty. That's Jason Fallon. He's liked all my videos. It won't let you like any post at all now. Wow. It's over for me in Stockwits. Says violation. I've had violations. Mike, when you get a violation email, you just reply to it and say, sorry, I've done that before. Oh, thank you, Bill. Bill's going, Martyn, you're going to miss the blooming bell, mate. Pay attention what's going on here. I nearly missed the bell. Good luck, everyone. Year end strong. Let's go. Paul Stone, I'm trying to accept your friend request. You've still not gone into the welcome all on Discord and said hello. Paul Stone, go into the welcome all on Discord and say hello. I want to upgrade your account. What is it with you? Here we go. The bell has gone. Let's see what's going on. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's have a little look. Jason for spamming StockWits. I'm greedy. I'm greedy, shorty. Oh, Niels. Where do I buy stock in astronaut diapers? Where do I buy stock in astronaut diapers? Right, here we go. Virgin Galactic is going down. Now then, 3 months. Still good uptrend. We're okay. We're going to get some buybacks in here in a minute. You watch what happens. I'm no doubt about that. Palantir going up. Gold going up. Let's check. The S&P going up. Amazon going up, too expensive. Apple flying after yesterday's debacle with the phones, with the Apple Watches. I nearly bought some when it went down, but it wasn't down enough. Next year, energy selling off. We're getting a bit of a sell-off now. If it goes to 50, I'll buy some more. Anyway, Enphase Energy. It's all going to turn around in a minute. Coca-Cola coming straight back up. J&J just hovering. Kenvue pushing up. Chevron taking a bit of a drop, still up on it. Tesla going back up again. Here comes the bounce. We'll be green in a minute. Astro Pampers. That's what we all need. As we get older and we live in space, we're all going to need Astro Pampers. Here comes the red. Here it comes. You had the drop. Virgin Galactic. It went down. It's trying to push up. The S&P's going up. Amazon, Apple. Adrian Dobles, welcome to you. Thank you for becoming my latest subscriber. Very nice indeed. Apple. And William Walsh. Lots of subscribers coming in today. Thank you very much. Next year Energy. How low is it going to go? Enphase is now coming back up. You'll see. Oh, Enphase is going. Very nice. We're going to be green in a second. Coca-Cola still hovering. J&J, there we go. J&J is now like over $220. Wall Street analysts say, but it's at least $200. It is $200 for me. That's why I bought it. It's why it's a big part of my portfolio. I'm not worried about that at all. I'm very, very happy to own it, and I'm hoping I can sell it and put it in my Roth at the end of the year. Sevilla depends. Let's have a look. I'm greedy. Shorty. Where do I buy stock in astronaut diapers? Let's have a look here. Oops, coming up now. Here we go. We're going to be green in a second. Kenvue. Let's go back to Virgin Galactic. It's holding there. Palantir. Gold. The S&P. We're green again. We're green again. Another green day. Again. Beating the market again. Beating Warren Buffett again. Enphase. Soon as next era turns around, there's no point me going crazy and buying any more. SIDU bounced off 5. Let's have a look. SIDU. How do you? Oh, SIDU up 14%. Oh, look at that. SIDU Space up. I was in this one. I sold it for a loss on purpose to demonstrate to you what happens if you use a buy order. So I'm really annoyed now. There you go. It's up 14%. We recognized the bottom. We did a review on it. I bought it. I demonstrated it. And I sold out. Damn it. I knew I should have stayed in there. Anyway, all of you jumped in with me. I demonstrated it for your benefit. So now you know what you do. Do not do a sell, do a stop trail order, or do a limit order. Do not just click sell. It's fantastic that you're up today. I'm so pleased. Everyone's making money at my expense, but that's fine. So, oh, by the way, I had a comment about the fact that I was talking about Sidus Space. Sidus Space. I've got to call it Sidus Space. Sidus Space. And someone said, oh, Martyn Lucas, you're pumping rubbish now. No, I never pump stock. I never pump and... Look at it in the dictionary. Google what a pump and dump is. It's not something I do at all. I buy what I talk about. I own it. I tell you when I'm going to buy it, tell you when I'm going to sell it, and I actually sold it at a loss, and all of you are making money. I wanted to demonstrate how it works. And so I didn't pump and dump anything. I pump and lost on purpose while all of you actually made money. So let's get that straight. Mr. Troll coming in, trying to say I'm trying to manipulate the market, and which you can't do, of course, with a small channel like mine, but there you go. Anyway, SIDU hit 5.8 momentarily. BABA looking good for a call out till January end. Keeping an eye on open interest, said Ed Nevius. I expect value stocks like BABA to do good next year. I don't like BABA though. Simple as that. I did the website. I showed you. I did a full review on it. I didn't like it. Anyway, I've got to go red again. I was green there for a minute. I'm a bit disappointed, but never mind. Let's have a look. Are we going to break the 73 today? Sorry, 76. 75,970. We were just through 76 earlier today. Just dropped back a little bit. Not a problem. I'm fine with it. Welcome to all our guests on TikTok. How you doing? I know, Martin. Niels goes, I know. We all know. We all know that you don't like BABA in any Chinese stocks. Anyway, Virgin Galactic, 265. Is this a concern? No, it's not. Look, the trend is still intact. The trend is still intact. We're still good. This is healthy. We'll bounce off here. I'm very confident we're going to go back up again. It allows you to take some profit, buying again. Patrick G. How are you doing this morning? Good to see you, Patrick G. Welcome to you. Aloha, says Patrick. No notification on BSV, 60% up. No notification of BSV, 60% up. I have no idea what that means. No notification. What do you mean, no notification? What exactly does that mean? Adam J, welcome to the show. How are you? I don't know what you mean, no notification. Shall we have a look at BSV? We've got a number of people that follow BSV. I'm not in it anymore because they took it off Robinhood, and I wasn't interested in it when they did that because I couldn't show anybody. He's saying it's up 60%. It's not up 60%. It's up 7%. So I want to just make sure that everyone's got accurate information. Adam J just said, no notification of BSV, 60% up, except it's not 60% up. It's 6.7% up. So don't let anyone tell you that BSV has gone up 60% today. It's gone up 85% this week. Which is true, and it's up 104% this month, which is good. 3 months, 191%. But I'm not in this crypto asset at the moment, and the reason why is it was taken off Robinhood. And because it's taken off, I can't show it. I can't be open and honest about it because I can't show it to anybody, so I'm not in it. That's the very reason why I sold it. And there you go. Anyway, all cryptos up at the moment. If I share with you our crypto challenge, we are investing in crypto in a much more stable way. We are using our crypto challenge with Sensei Crypto. I put $1,000 in and I've more than doubled my money. In fact, even more than that, because we have 608 in cash. We have made $2,322, so $1,322 out of 400. So we're way more than if we just bought BSV by about 5-6 times. All right, so just to give full clarity to that. All right, now then, Virgin Galactic is still going down. We still haven't broken trend, so we're okay. I'm great, says Patrick G. I'm very pleased to hear it. Very pleased to hear it indeed. All right, let me come back to Paul Stone. Hello, me old son. It's me, Stoney. Paul Stone is still commenting to me in the chat. I keep telling him to come into the welcome all. Paul Stone. Are you still watching, Paul? This has been going on for weeks now. What's going on with you? Paul Stone, look, here you are. Are you here? Are you here? Listen to me, Paul Stone. This is Paul Stone in the chat. Paul Stone. It's one of my mates. We talk on the phone. And I keep saying, I can't add you until you confirm it's you. Please come into the Welcome All channel so I can upgrade you. There you go. All right. Yes, Paul Stone. This is what you do, Paul Stone. He said, Patrick G.
Patrick G has become a member.
I'll give you all your perks in a second. So, Paul Stone, come in to the Welcome All. Here is the Welcome All. Top left-hand corner. Hi, Paul. We might get this fixed today. It's only taken about 3 blooming weeks. Right? Paul Stone. Oh, hang on. Yes! Can everybody, oh God, this has taken about 3 weeks. Can everybody please give Paul Stone a big round of applause? Finally. So Paul Stone, first thing I'm going to do is make you a YouTube member. Right. There you go. You are a oh, hang on. No, I can't. You're not a member. Paul Stone, you're not a YouTube member. That's why I can't do it. I knew there was something wrong. Paul Stone, you don't have a badge next to your name. You're not a YouTube member. This is, I only accept YouTube members and can only upgrade you if you're a YouTube member. Paul Stone, you're not a member. Now we understand what's going on. Look, see, Paul Stone is not a member. He hasn't got a badge. After weeks and weeks of it, we find out he's not a member anyway. Oh, my dear God. Dear God. Anyway, become a member, Patrick. Yeah, Patrick G, just become a member. So, would everybody please welcome our latest member in? What country are you from? We have 47 countries. Would everybody please welcome? Oh, everyone's already doing it. Please do welcome in. So, we're green again. You all have the chance to buy a dip. Did you do it? There it is. We're going back up again. Nice. And Virgin Galactic is down, so in a minute. Oh, Palantir. S&P. Amazon, here we go. The end of the year. We want to get a dip. Apple still going up, though. Hawaii. Patrick G. I would love to fly the flag, but it's countries. Hawaii is part of the United States, so I can't put the Hawaii flag up. Patrick G, let me give you all your benefits. First of all, Patrick, you've got a badge which recognizes you as a member. Over time, your badge will turn eventually red, scarlet and red in time. Let me give the link to Paul Stone so he can become a member again, and then we can upgrade his flipping account. Can't believe it. There we go. Give it to him 3 times. There you go. So, Patrick G. Become a member. He used to be. I don't know what's going on. He's one of my mates. He phones me up from Vegas on his phone. Anyway. So, Patrick, you now can get members-only videos, members-only live streams. If you look on the homepage of the channel, you'll see all the members' videos here that only members can see. Okay? You also get members-only live streams, members-only chats. Illegally Hawaii is part of the USA. I can't get into that. All right? I can't get into that. Also, you can request on your birthday, or you can donate it to somebody else, a birthday celebration. So on the show live, I will, from my studio behind me, the music studio, we will celebrate, balloons will come down, and we'll do your birthday the day before, the day of, or the day after. You'll also get a birthday card from me. You can also do a poll. You can poll the audience. You can ask the question. You can also ask me to review a stock, and I will review a stock for you. It's free of charge as part of the service. If you decide that you want your review done straight away, you can do a super chat and push it to the top. If you want me to buy a stock, you do a super chat and I'll buy a stock and make a video on it. Lots of things like that. You also have access to Discord now to become part of the family, and we can upgrade you, unlike Paul Stone. Let me give you the Discord link, and the idea of that is you can then talk to the members when we're not on the show, and you can get to find out what's going on. There's the Discord link. It will take 10 minutes to get through security, but I will upgrade you and do it. If you do it now, I'll do it in today's show. I can also do a full review of a stock for you. I think I already said that. If you go to my main website, martynlucas.com, go to the links, you can get our newsletter. You'll get a birthday card. There's the links. Right, there it is. And below here, on the links page, you can sign up for my newsletter. You don't have to put your name in if you don't want to. If you want to personalize it, you can. If you want a birthday card, you put your date of birth. If you want to, just the month and the day. And below the links page are all my links, including Alpha Spread, Discord, Twitter, X, Facebook, Threads, whatever. Okay, there's the Alpha Spread link. If you click on that, look, it takes you to the page where you get the discount code. And all the members get the best price. Okay, all good? Fantastic. And then if you respond to me on any of my accounts, like X, for example, I will reply back to you, share with you what I'm buying before I buy it, before I sell it. There's my stock twits. Again, all of this is on the links page. All right. And I'll give you my X account as well. There you go. Now then, and also what you get as well is you can call in live to the show. You can be live on the show. All the portfolio is pumping now. Yay! Virgin Galactic comes straight back, just as we predicted. Did any of you take advantage and buy the dip? We said that was going to happen, and it did. We're turning green again now. And it's all going back up. Amazon's pulled back. We want to get it when it goes down, though. Apple, and there it is. There's our NEE. Let's look at Sidus Space. Why do I keep getting that wrong? Thank you, Martin. I got it all. Patrick G. Brilliant. Thank you. And most importantly, thank you, seriously, for becoming a member. I go live up to 10 hours a day. These streams don't make me any money. I go live for the members. It's because of the members that I am here. The members fund the live shows. They appreciate and love the family, the live shows, soon to go live 24 hours a day, by the way. But thank you for your support. Really appreciate it. Sidus Space. I can't believe I missed out on this. You already added me to X. Great. Good. Let me get my coffee. Cup of tea from Leah. Lovely. So, can somebody tell me who bought the t-shirts yesterday, a couple of days ago? Somebody bought 6 t-shirts. 6 t-shirts. Can somebody please tell me who did that? I'd love to know, actually, because I'll tell you why in a minute. But anyway, I want to know. Right. I've got some comments. Have I got any comments to answer? No, just repost. I've got on top of that then. Fantastic. Right. Now then. Paul Stone says, I thought I was a bloody member. I thought I was. Bloody hell. There we go. Paul. Is Paul still here? There he is. Paul Stone. Are you here? Yeah, you're not a member, are you? because you haven't got a badge. We all know you can't lie. You can't go, I thought I was. We all know you're not a member. Anyway, we're looking strong now. I want to get Virgin Galactic is doing nicely. It's trying to pop up now. Sidus Space. I can't believe it. I should have thought of myself and not said I'm going to do this to demonstrate a low float, a low volume stock. And I did it to flipping teach you something, and now I've missed out. Not doing that again. I'm not being nice anymore. It's all about me from now on. From now on, it's all about me. Self. Right, Jordan Allen, good old Palantir. I'm holding as I bought the dip, and I'm waiting for the retest at 18. I can't find Sidus Space on my brokerage. If you buy it now, you're going to upset me, right? Anyway, I've got to wait for it to go back down again now. Damn it. I knew it was going to go up. I did a review on it, identified it as a stock to buy. I bought it, sold it just to demonstrate the low float situation, and now I can't get back in again. He won't let me. Right. Oh, dear. Hey, can you believe it? I can believe it. Paul Knowles is here. I've been looking for Paul Knowles. Paul Knowles. Here he is. Paul Knowles, I did SIDU Space for you. And I bought it live on the show. Let me share with you. Look, you missed it. Can't believe you missed it. Right, there's SIDU Space. Let me give you the link for it. Right, copy the link. Here's the link. Have you seen it? There is SIDU Space. I also did a follow-up and bought it and demonstrated it and ended up bloody losing money. Oh, I'm so annoyed. Anyway, let me give you the follow-up. Here is the follow-up Sidus Space. God, I've got to get that right. What is SIDU all about? Sidus Space. They need to change the name. They need to call it... I know I call it SIDU. It's the flipping ticker, innit? Right, there is the follow-up. So now I can take you off the list. Been in bed. What I missed. So you missed your video. That's what you missed. You missed your video. I only made your video for you. And you and John Grant for. Anyway, don't worry about it. I'll make videos for you. You don't have to watch them. Don't worry. So let me take Paul Knowles off the list. Is Pat M here? Pat M, are you here? Pat M. No. Is R3 here? R3. A. R3 here? No. Is Michelle here? Michelle, no. Okay. Well, we're getting down the list. It's getting shorter. There's only 3 people here who don't know about their list, their review. So that's still pretty good. Anyway, I've had my video, Martyn. You did fuel cell energy, but you also had SIDU Space. Flipping heck, Paul. We're not starting this again. He was telling me the other day, oh, the list is all wrong, blah, blah, blah. And then he went, no, you're right. It is me. Yes, it is you. I've done it for you as well. Anyway, don't worry about it. Just go and watch it. Let's not get into a debate about it. Anyway, let's carry on. Virgin Galactic is trying to push back up again. Palantir doing well today. Gold. Amazon. Apple. NEE, Next Year Energy, going up today. Very good indeed. We're very green again. It's pushing up now. End phase, yes. Just down slightly. Coca-Cola returned again. J&J, it's going to be $200 this next year. You mark my words. Johnson & Johnson's gone sideways and down. Oh!
Paul Stone has become a member.
You know the old saying, folks. You know the old saying, if it doesn't work, try and try again. If it doesn't work the 4th time, just give up. Give up. Well, we didn't give up. We kept going. Finally. Right. Paul Stone. He's only gone silver. He's gone silver. Paul Stone, because you're silver, you can now have a 20-minute fundraiser or you can have a little concert, a wedding anniversary for free in my music show, plus other perks and benefits that silver members get as well. And you can also go on the homepage of my YouTube channel if you want to grow a channel. You can also sponsor some competitions as well if you want to do that. There are many extra perks that you get as a silver. Silver is the best value membership to be on. There's no doubt about it. Thank you. You got in on SIDU. Right, says Paul Knowles. Now then, finally, the moment has come. The moment has come. I can't tell you, folks, how glad I'll be to do this because it stresses the hell out of me. I got OCD. And when I have one person with a red spot, a little, it annoys the hell out of me. So Paul Stone, here we go. I'm going to enjoy this. Paul Stone is now a member. We're now going to ban Paul Stone. We're going to ban him. No, we're not. We're going to, first of all, change his nickname. He's got to have the same name as he does on YouTube. It's virtually the same, not quite. It has to be the same, so everyone knows it's the same person. Paul Stone, you are now have a nickname on our server. Okay. Paul Stone. I'm now going to give you the role of YouTube member. There it is. You can now access all the channels, roles, member, add friend. Here it comes. Add friend. I have now accepted your bloody friend request for 3 weeks. Accept it. Go and accept it now. Look, add friend. I'm only going to leave it there for a minute. I'm going to delete it. Look, add friend. I'll try again. Add friend. Go and accept it. It will delete in 1 minute. Because it's to stop you getting invitations from other scammers and people like that. Other scammers, people like me, right? So go and accept it now. I feel the love. Yeah, I don't. I just feel the annoyance. Right. Add friend. Go and accept it. Add friend, you bugger. Go and accept it. Paul Stone, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to accept it. Yes! Sick of this. This is too hard work. It's too hard work. It's too hard work. But anyway, we got there in the end. Right. Anyway, can we move on now? Because believe it or not, this is not the Paul Stone show, even though it has been for the last 3 weeks. Sidus Space. I'm so annoyed. I'm so annoyed. Let me explain. For those of you that have just come in here, why am I annoyed? Right. Listen. Let me share with you the whole picture. I'm so annoyed. Where is it? Right. Look at this. Here, folks. This is why I am really, really annoyed about Sidus Space. Let me explain why. Right. I did a review on Sidus Space. I identified it was a buy. There is the review. I did a review, studied the balance sheet, realized that Sidus Space was a buy. Okay? I then, live on the show, bought it, and many of you did, and many of you are holding it, and you've all made money. I'm really pleased. However, what I did, because I said in the review that on a low float stock like this, if you do a buy or a sell, not a limit order, you'll end up on getting a bad deal because the stock, the bids and the asks are spread, and you can end up losing money. You have to do a limit order. So I did it on purpose to demonstrate to you what would happen. So I did it, and I lost money to demonstrate it, and I did it for this reason. I've not shown you this. I've not shown you this. This is what I got from a troll. This is why I did it. He said, this guy here called Benamam Wegabin Jamalin, whatever his name is, I see we're now pumping and promoting low float, small cap, low market caps, eh? How much did you get paid to do this? And of course, this is why I did it. Bull market is back in session when YouTubers are pumping penny stocks. Number one. I did not get paid by anyone. How much do you get paid? 0. No one pays me anything. Number 2, I'm not a YouTuber. YouTubers pumping stocks. I'm not a YouTuber. Number 3, I don't pump anything. I bring it to your attention of what a good value stock is. All right? I then replied to him and said, that is so silly. I don't get paid by anyone at all. All who watch my live shows know this. I even sold for a small loss to demonstrate the sell orders. How can you lose on this? How can you lose on this kind of stock? So I literally answered him, and I did it to demonstrate the situation. So I identified it to be a good stock. I knew it was a good stock. I knew it was going to go up. I bought it at the bottom. I sold it because of that flipping comment to demonstrate to you my honesty, openness, and integrity. And now I've lost a shit ton of money. Am I pissed? Yes, I am. Yes, I am, because it's going to go up, and it could go up to $7 now. Anyway, thought you should know. What's everyone saying to that? Let's have a look. Welcome, Paul. Yeah, he's finally a member. Cheers, John. You got in SIDU. Yep, Sidus Space. Jumped back in yesterday. Welcome, Paul. Paul Stone is yet to confirm in the chat. We've already confirmed it, Niels. We knew it was him, all right? I've been talking to him for about 3 bloody weeks. Welcome, Paul. Make him sweat, Paul. Look in the bar. I done it. Oh, look in the breakfast bar. All right, what's going on in the breakfast bar? Due to violation. Oh my God. Look at this. This is Mike liking too many posts. Due to violation of our house rules, some actions have been restricted. These actions have been restricted indefinitely. Please contact support. There you go. So what I told you is you reply to them and you apologize. So Mike, all you've got to do, and Jason Fallon, is reply to StockWits. Because if they think you're a bot, they think you're a bot liking everything. So all you've got to do is reply to StockWits, support at StockWits, said, I apologize. I'm not a bot. I was supporting my friend who I like his posts. I did it manually. It wasn't done on a computer. It wasn't, automated. And if you do that, you'll be unrestricted. So, Mike, that's all you've got to do. They're very, very good. They respond within a couple of days. So that's what you do. You are just being supportive. You're not a bot. You're not a scammer. And that's all you've got to do, and they will fix it. All right? So there you go. I've explained it now, Mike. All right? So anyway, there you go. We are not selling SIDU yet. No, for God's sake. Don't. You're annoyed because I mentioned it 4 weeks ago, but I kept being put back. You kept being put back. You did, because you were outbid. It's your own bloody fault. You could have got me to do this review 3 weeks ago for $1. I would have bought this 3 weeks ago because I would have identified then it was a good idea. So not only have I ended up selling the stock to show you guys to respond to a troll, I could have bought it even cheaper. This is really annoying me now. We've all been there. Sold it and it went up. Yes. Yeah, but that doesn't happen to me, Jordan Allen. I knew. That's why the review told me to buy it. That was the point of the review. We are number one ranking. This community is a sole reason for pump. We are number one ranking. This company is a sole reason for pump. I'm waiting for an interview with CEO Martyn. I trust you will ask the tough questions. Deep in the money. What do you mean? What does that mean? We are number one ranking. Yes, we rank number one for many search terms, not just SPCE, not just Virgin Galactic, about 10 different tickers actually. This community is the sole reason for the pump. I am waiting for the interview with the CEO. I trust you will ask tough questions. Deep in the money. Meet the CEO series is a series of videos. I'm meeting all the CEOs of the New York Stock Exchange, not just Richard Branson. I've invited everybody. I've now got a deal with the manager on the floor at the New York Stock Exchange who's putting me in touch with all the CEOs. And what I'm doing is I'm building relationships first on my X and Instagram account, making friends, messaging people, building up. And now our Meet the CEO series, we've got part 2 tomorrow. Jeff Boots is coming back onto the show to do a follow-up for the gold mine. Those of you that bought the gold mine with him, he's coming back for a follow-up interview tomorrow. And there are many more that are going to come online. So yes, it takes time. Rome wasn't built in a day, but yes, we are getting there. Paul Stone has just posted in here. Look, he's posting his flipping phone number now. Royal Blue Pool Service. Look, he's trying to get some business out of it as well. Royal Blue Pool Service. There he is. He's in Vegas. There's Paul Stone, look, trying to get some free publicity, which is fine. I don't mind that. I love it. Right. I think you did the same with Fuel Cell, Martyn. Yeah, I did. He's probably a shorter. Squeeze him. Well, I could squeeze him if I was in the stock. I'd buy loads of it. I'd buy millions of it. Do you know how annoyed I am by this? I identified this and I'm not in it. Pump it. Off with his head. All good in faith. Could you not have proved it selling one share? Yes, that would have been better. That would have been better. That would have been a lot better. Oh my God, Paul Stone. Oh my God. This is the best English breakfast you will ever see in the breakfast bar. Oh my God. That is a proper English breakfast, bar none. A mug of tea. The only thing about that, it's not in a Martyn Lucas mug. So it's 9 out of 10. The toast is brilliant. Oh my God. I'm so hungry looking at that. And I'm really, really pissed that Sidus Space is going up. Oh man. That's 2 stocks I have given you now. No. Paul Knowles, it was the review that told me to buy the stock. Not you. You introduced me to do the review. The review told me to buy the stock. I'm never again doing that. If I review a stock and I identify a buy, I'm buying it and I'm thinking of me. And I'm not going to be bothered about anybody else. Never again am I going to do that. Buy some more, get the wash. I can't buy it now, can I? 23%. What are you talking about, bread? I can't buy it now. That would be crazy. You don't buy on a pump, do you? Ooh. Let's help Momentous. Momentous. That's another one we got to do, isn't it? I know. I feel bad for us all. Hi, Steve. Yeah. Paul Knowles, if you told us if you'd have paid $1, we'd have reviewed this stock weeks ago. Unbelievable. I'm loving it. Hello all, Wade Van Eysen Martyn. How do I get that fancy wrench badge? How? You don't. That's given to you. You can't get that. That's what I give out when I want to, and I don't want to. That is a moderator's badge. I give that to certain people that are very, very good, and I want them to moderate my channel. That's a moderator status. Space is dropping like a stone. No, it's not. No, it's not. JP Rothschild talking rubbish. It's down 1.8%. We have had a rally over the last 3 months of 59%. JP Rothschild likes to sort of dramatize the negative. It's up 59% over 3 months. It's down today 1.85. And according to JP Rothschild, it's dropping like a stone. No, it's not. That's absolutely ridiculous. Just add for your information, received the note from Spring today where I ordered the mug. Thank you for your order. It should be there shortly. Wade Van... Have you ordered another mug, Wade Van Eysen? You've already got mugs. What's going on? Are you trying to buy all my mugs? Get out of my shop. What are you doing? What are you doing? Why are you buying all my mugs? Why are you buying all my mugs? You've already got a mug. This is Wade Van Eysen here. This is Wade Van Eysen. He's got a Virgin Galactic to $100 mug. What are you doing buying all my mugs? I know why. Because you know they're going to be collector's pieces. You know that the Virgin Galactic mugs are limited edition. You're going to sell them on eBay. I know your game. I know your game. I received this ages ago. Oh, I see. Well, why are you telling me that then? Why are you telling me, Wade, why are you telling me months ago, weeks ago, ages ago, you got that note? Why are you doing that? I don't need to know this. You've just taken over the last minute of my show when I could have been talking about Virgin Galactic to talk about this. Don't do that again. Beans in the morning. I can't bloody believe it. Yes, that's what English people do. Proper food. SIDU 443. No, 443? Oh my God. Oh, I'm so annoyed. Oh, with all that English breakfast right now, you all know. Oh, right. I have got to make a video on it. Right, can everyone jump in, please? Let's make a Sidus Space video. Everybody, in fact, members only now. Members only. So we don't want any crazy people saying stuff, right? We don't want any people ruining it. Right, here we go. Here we go. Let me make it members only. Members only. You ready? Members only. If you want to do a super chat in the making of this film, right, we're going to make a very quick video. You might want to jump in, all right? Okay, so here we go. Let me bring it up. Comments. Okay, here we go. I've got that ready. That ready. This is going to be good. Right, get that ready. Okay, that ready. Okay, it's 7:30, 8:30, 9:30, 1 hour 45, 1 hour 45. I want everyone to super chat different. Make sure that you put comments in, right? This is going to rank #1 for Sidus Space within about 48 hours. SIDU. Right, okay. SIDU. You ready? Okay. I am so pissed. I can't tell you how pissed I am. Right. Right. Sidus Space! I'm so pissed. Yes, I am. Let me explain to you what happened. I am so annoyed with Sidus Space. Calm down. Take a breath. Smash the like button. Help me out. Help me feel good. I'm making this during a live video, so we might get some live comments on the screen. Let me explain. Never, ever, ever, ever listen to flipping idiots. Never listen to trolls like this. Make sure that you stick to this, your reviews, and make sure you know when to buy and when not to sell. And most importantly, don't be too nice to everybody else. Be nice to yourself. Let me explain. Sidus Space. Be calm. relax. This is what happened. Sidus Space today is up 30%. How did this happen? Well, let me explain. A few days ago, in fact, yesterday, long time ago, there it is, 17 hours ago, I did a review. I did a full deep dive on Sidus Space to identify whether it was a good stock or not. Because I only ever buy when I review stocks. I look at the balance sheet, the numbers, the intrinsic values, the debt position, the whole works, behind the scenes, very important stuff. Then I identify a stock to buy. Then I buy it. And 99 times out of 100, I am spot on. And that's why my portfolio is up over 50% this year with no options and no shorting of stocks ever. Never do that, ever. So I identified that this was a great stock. I reviewed it. Then, live on the show, I decided to buy it. I thought it was absolutely a buy. I bought it. All of my members bought it, and it was very exciting. I even posted it on my X account as well. On my X account, I reached out to Sidus Space. This is my X account. I'm just going to put it on the screen for you right now if I can get it to work. For some reason, it's going a bit slow at the moment, but that's okay. Let me just go into here. I'm making this during a live video. So I posted it on my X account. I reached out to the company, asked for an interview. I do a Meet the CEO series, which I'm hoping to interview those from Sidus Space. Here's my X account. Anyway, all of that was good, right? And then many people were concerned. I was explaining, be very careful when you exit the stock, because if you sell, just do a sell order, rather than a limit order, just click sell, you'll lose money, because the way the stock moves with a low float like this, low volume, you can end up losing money very quickly if you just do sell. So I made a video to demonstrate that that I'm not a pumper and I'm not a dumper. I buy what I invest in and talk about. I hold it. I always tell people before I'm selling on my X account, which is why I post on X, why I'm selling before I'm selling on my X account. However, I wanted to demonstrate what would happen if you just click sell. So I was responding to this. Never do this. A troll comes in, get lots of trolls. Troll comes in and says, I see we're now pumping and promoting low float. Well, I don't pump and promote any stocks. The very definition of pumping is you push a stock up to dump it. That's what it means. I never, ever do that. And I also don't get promoted or sponsored, paid by anyone to make my reviews. I do them all for free. Okay. Low cap market ops A. How much did you get paid to do this? As I say, I get no money at all. All my reviews on Alpha Spread, they pay me absolutely nothing to make my reviews. They are all completely my own. That's why I do not have the Alpha Spread logo on the video. I did at the beginning because I thought it would be good to promote the video, and they asked me, do not put our logo on your thumbnail because it looks like we are sponsoring you, and we're not. You're doing it out of the goodness of your own heart, right? They put them on their page. However, they don't pay me to do it. And Sidus Space don't pay me either. And then he goes on to saying, when YouTubers, I'm not a YouTuber. I'm the world piano man. I've explained that. I've toured all over the world as an entertainer. This is a TV show. I'm not selling videos. I'm not trying to sell videos. I'm not trying to get you to subscribe. I'm building a live audience, which is why I'm live 10 hours a day. So I responded to that and said, that is totally silly. I don't get paid by anyone at all. All who watch my live shows know this. I even sold for a small loss to demonstrate sell orders. So I reacted because of this, did something to protect my viewers, and did something also to call out this silly, uneducated person who's trying to promote and talk rubbish. Okay, so that's what happened. Since that happened, of course, as expected, due to research, Sidus Space went up. Exactly as it should. I would have made a lot of money by now, but unfortunately, I haven't. And Sidus Space actually is a 10 $15 stock ultimately. So you might say, why don't you buy it now and accept it? Because that would be the wrong thing to do. You can't buy a stock on a pump. Everything I do is done through research, knowledge, discipline, and discipline would be thrown out of the flipping window if I bought it now. No matter how high I think it's going, it's on a pump right now. A 45% is a massive pump this morning. Why is this happening? Because of what's happening with SpaceX right now. They've got a satellite going on board SpaceX, and it's all systems go for Sidus Space. Good luck to them. Now, there will be some volatility. There will be some selling. I would have been selling. I would have been doing a stop trail order throughout all of this. However, I'm out. But the good news is, if there was any good news to be gained out of this video, is the fact that most of my members that were watching yesterday bought Sidus Space, and they're all making lots of money, which is great. So the moral of the story: never listen to trolls. And I responded and made a video to demonstrate and so on and so forth. I should have said, sod you, mate. You're talking rubbish. I know what I'm doing. I'm going to keep the stock and whatever. I didn't, but there it is. There it is. Anyway, if you like this video, please tap the like button. I hope to get Sidus Space live on my show. And good luck to everybody who's made loads of money, because I certainly haven't. Until next time, take care of yourselves and each other. Don't listen to anyone. Stick to the facts and just keep on the path. Bye-bye for now. All right, I'll put that out later. Can always remember that. That's never going to let me go. That's never going to go away, that one. I'm a poor man. All the money went into Sidus Space. I am the Slayer. Oops, I mean 564. Voldemort, Eric and Hawkwind of Slayers. Yes, Rocket Lab is going up again. Nope, it's the same order I've already received. It's not why I'm getting... Oh, it's not why I'm getting another no. Oh, I see. 567. SIDU absolutely flying. I'm up 35%. Rob G, the Queen, 689. Stop telling me how much money you're all making. Stop telling me. Martyn, why don't you go for your mince pie and come back? Yeah. Let's go. If it makes you feel any better, I got into do before the split, 57. I have 460. It dropped 0.3. I paid the same amount after split. After my was 73. So we're still well under. How are you under? If you... Oh, man, I can't believe it. 57. Congratulations, Paul. When is the move coming out? When is the movie coming out? But I'm still under, John. Hopefully still go to 15. Eventually enjoy, brother, the ride. 6. Yeah, Queen, thanks. 617. 634. Will you stop doing that? Just put the gains are unreliable for Sidhu. All you got to do is set a stop trail order. Hype when it up to the moon. Look at the test of 3 years ago. Sidhu, Tilray. Stop it! Stop it! Anyone know why it's suspended? Yes, because it's caught. Oh my God, 770. This is the worst day ever. This is the worst day ever. Oh, God. Ah! Oh, stop it! Oh, Mr. Lucas, well, I'll give you a super chat right now. Hang on. I'll give you a record super chat right now if you hype Tilray. Do you know what? The way I feel right now, I'll do it. I'll hype Tilray. Oh, my God. Right. Okay. I'll do it. What the hell? I'll do it. Okay. Man. Tilray. T-L-R-Y. Tilray. Okay, Tilray. Okay, 2 hours. 2 hours, TLRY. I rank in the top 5 for Tilray in the world on Google and YouTube, so this might have some effect. Tilray, okay, let's have a look. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. Tilray Brands is popping up today, up 8.48%. I was wrong. I got out of this stock. I said it was rubbish over and over again. I still believe that Irwin Simon is a little bit misdirectional at the moment. However, we're getting some last minute rallies here on the stock. And, I try to be a responsible investor. I try to buy what makes sense financially when it comes to the balance sheet, the numbers. However, many of you don't seem to care about that. You'll just buy it. If it goes up, make loads of money. No one seems to care anyway. So what the hell? Tilray brand is going up today. It's a massive pump, as you can see. It's going up. If you like this video and you want Tilray to get a lot of attention today, click the share, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, because not very often I say this, I was wrong. It doesn't seem to matter what the numbers are saying about Tilray today. No one seems to care. No one seems to be bothered about the balance sheet and the numbers. They're buying it like crazy. We're getting an end of the year, New Year's Eve celebration, and Tilray Brands, if you bought it at the bottom, where I did and sold it, and I was wrong, it's going up. I don't know why it's going up. If anyone could identify to me what's going on, but we've got a few stocks doing this at the moment. We've got some information just a few moments ago about Sidus Space as well. Here's my Sidus Space. You don't even want to ask me about Sidus Space. In fact, if you reply in the comments, I won't even answer. I probably won't even answer to that. But anyway, there we go. Tilray Brands, we're watching it for a moment. It's now 9% up, 9.37. It's going and going and going. We're getting a new year run. I don't know why. Perhaps someone could mention to me in the chat why it's going up so much. But there we go. Let me bring some of the comments on the screen. This is happening live. We've got some funny comments coming in. Let me have a look. What the audience is saying. MSK says, Mr. Lucas, I'll give you a record super chat right now if you hype Tilray. Well, I don't know what to say about it. I was wrong. I got out. It's going up. What can I say? It's got nothing to do with value right now, but of course, it's exploding. We've got everyone reminding me, of course, that SIDU has just gone up 6.34. As someone just gave me a fantastic Luca badge. Donzi just sent a galaxy. Thank you so much, Donzi, over on TikTok right now. I'll just make this is part of a video that's going on right now. If you look here on my TikTok account, someone has just given me a big what do you call it? It's called a galaxy. I'm showing it on YouTube right now so the whole world can see it. It's quite exciting. Look at this. Someone gave me a galaxy. See that? They just become the whole thing went spacey. If it happens again, I'll come back to it. But anyway, if you do it again, I'll put it on YouTube. All right? I'm ready now. Oh, here it comes again. Look at this. So I've no idea what that means, but someone has just sent me a galaxy. Sounds pretty good, right? Thank you very much. The latest Luca badge owner. I'll tag you in my viral post later on. Are you ready now? I'm ready. I saw it. Thank you very much indeed. Later on, I'll tag you in my post. How exciting was that? That was pretty exciting. Are you ready now? Oh, it happened again. Hang on. I missed it. There it is. It happened again. I don't quite know what's going on. All right. Send me a galaxy again. I missed it that time. I'm ready now. Do it again. I don't know. Here it comes again. There it is again. Look at that. Fantastic. Folks, this is a terrible day for me. I know I'm getting all these super chats and I'm getting, Sidus Space. I would have made a small fortune, folks. I would be rich today. and I listened to a troll. That troll will be absolutely loving this. What can I say? Sidus Space and Tilray. This is a bad day for me. I have to say, this is a bad day. They say, be happy in what you have, not what you could have had. The difference is, I had it, and I knew it, and I identified it. And Sidus Space, let me bring the comments on the screen. I really don't know what to say today. Let me come back to the stock. Let me share the comments on the screen. Let me bring this up. This is a bad day for me. We've got GoDB is laughing. Wow, Chris Pickering, you can laugh, mate. You can laugh because it ain't you lose. It ain't you. SIDU on hold for Robinhood. There we go. Tilray is still pumping. Let's go back to SIDU as well. Let's make sure we've got both on the show. We might if we're gonna do it, we might as well do it big time. Yeah, 101%. Absolutely, John Grandforce. Yeah, it's easy to laugh when it's not you. These things happen, but that chart is terrible. I think this is just a pump and dump. Chris Pickering, you say that, and I agree with you. But people don't seem to care. I would be taking profit right now. High volatility is flagged by the market, halted for safety. 7.15. It just keeps on going. 8.80. Wee, I'm in the profit now. Paul Knowles is loving it. Wow, SIDU is going up even more. 101%. Sidus shares rise 17% after testing. Lizzie sat. I know. I did the review on it. I know. Stop telling me. If it makes you feel better, I can't even trade SIDU as it's not even on my account. 770. Forget 770. We're at 880. It's all right, Martyn. Our time will come with space. Yeah, I know. It's all very well you saying that, though. $8. Space. Follow suit. Come on. Follow suit. I'm out now. Of course you're out now. Thank you very much. You're making loads of money. No, I'm joking. He said he'd give me a record super chat if I promoted Tilray. General chit chat. I'll have a look in a second. Jojo S is loving it. This is hilarious. Is it funny? Who's it funny for? It's not funny for me, is it? It's not funny for me. I don't think it's hilarious. Hang on. Let me bring up these screens again. Sidus Space. Tilray. It's not funny for me. Not funny for me at all. Fight Channel, not quite sure what that there is. Tilray, yes, a record low super chat. A rubbish super chat. You can't do a record low one, doesn't exist. Jordan Allen, it's available on T12, just on hold at the moment. Why is SIDU Space going up? I explained why. I did the bloody review. Come on. I gave you the information. I gave you the review. I told you it was going to go up. I made a video on it and said I'm buying it. There's the video. I did it for you. I gave it to you. And I gave it away to demonstrate to a bloody troll. A bloody troll has just cost me a flipping fortune. Look, there is the post right there. Because of that, I sold it. Yes, am I upset? I am actually, because I've just thrown away research that I knew it was going up. Why is SIDU going up? Martyn, hype drives a stock. Hertz went bankrupt, but retailers started buying it. Game, AMC, Tesla, etc. Don't discard hype to move a stock. Should help space. Let's hope so. Even Mullen is pumping today. I can't even put in a sell order for sell. Exactly. GoDB. I'm up 75% on SIDU. 101. I would have been up 101. Don't you even start on me. This is strange seeing about 5 of your heads This is strange, seeing about 5 of your heads. What's going on there? How are you doing that? Don't look now. Mr. Kahine owes you $500 super chat. When it gets to $6, he'll come back to gloat. Don't even start me. Don't even start me. Don't even start me on it. Sidus Space, still going up. Crag has become a member.
Crag has become a member. Today's lesson: don't feed the trolls, Martyn. Smiley face.
Don't feed the trolls. That's right. A member for 16 months. Rocket Lab testing 6. Oh my gosh. Oh. Ay, 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 ay. Where's my portfolio? It's barely up 0.34%. I'm up $200. I should be up about 1,000. And I would have made that money too. Get them. Make the bank. Ed Nevius. I accidentally stayed in to do it 410. I'm up 101%. I thought if I sold yesterday, Robin would flag me. No, don't worry about it. But don't worry. Matthew Kelly, whatever you do, I can't give financial advice, but I'm going to tell you what to do right now. Set a stop trail order. It's up 137%. Oh, stop, go down. This is unbelievable. I can't believe it. 137%. Worst ever decision ever on my show. Worst ever decision. Jordan Allen.
Jordan Allen has become a member. Suck it up, Martyn. Better not to be holding a big losing stock which is only headed south. This is the game we play.
Suck it up. You suck it up. You bloody... Don't tell me to suck it up. You're making loads of money out of my review. Oh, I bloody... Oh, I can't believe it. I accidentally stayed in. 137%. You've got to take a profit. Don't just do nothing. Take calm. Sidus Space. Go over to SIDU. Sidus Space. Let's have a look. Let's have a look at the short squeeze. Is there a short squeeze? Let's have a look. Is there any short position on this? No, it's not a short squeeze. It's nothing to do with a short squeeze. It is just simply buying the stock. It is just simply buying the stock. That's all it is. Today's lesson, don't feed the trolls, Martyn. Up 114%, but it's a nice high. Imaginary. What do you mean? What do you mean it's imaginary? Sell it, for God's sake, sell it. Wow, this is insane. Yes, it is. It's insane. It's the worst day on my show ever. Suck it up, Martyn. Better not be holding a big losing stock which is only headed south. This game is... It doesn't matter now, does it? There you go, Paul. 1038. Space or hydrogen stocks is where it's at. See, John, I see $50 at this rate. Oh, God. Tesla up 100% this year. Why can't space do this? You still have a great portfolio, Martyn. Yeah. I just hate that. I hate losing like that. General chit chat. General chit chat. Here we go. Paul Stone. Look at this. Look at this, everybody. This is what I'm talking about now. I feel better. Paul Stone is over on Discord. Look at that for a Christmas show. Look at that. Look at that in their house. They've got me on the big screen TV for Christmas. That's what I'm talking about. Some people appreciate me. Right. I'm going to love that one. I'm going to love the breakfast. What else have we got? We got Paul Stone. Look at this. This is Paul in New York. Unbelievable. I'm going to love that one. MSK. MSK is enjoying me not making any money. I'm glad you're enjoying that. I'm glad you're enjoying that. I'm going to give that a massive, great aha. Thank you very much. General chit chat. Stephen Lewandowski. Thanks for that. Set fire to money. Yeah. Hey, babe, are you hear what's going on this morning? Unbelievable. I would have made a shit ton of money and I got none of it because I answered a troll instead. I bought a stock. I reviewed a stock yesterday. I identified it as a stock that is about to go up. I made a full review explaining it, right? 100%. I bought the stock. I was so convinced, but I wanted to demonstrate that I wasn't a pump and dumper and so on. And I sold the stock. Today, it's up 137%. That would have been our holiday paid for. There you go. Just explaining to Leah what it's all about. She's very happy with me. And can I give you this one? Yeah, Leah's going, well, that's good, isn't it? Don't speak to me for the rest of the day. Don't answer trolls. That's the lesson. Set fire to money. Yeah, well, there we go. How much money can we burn in one day? Well, I'm glad it's entertaining for you folks. That's all I care about. Let's have a look. Do you sell it in a limit order? Not sure how to. Matthew Kelly. Oh my God. Matthew Kelly is up 137% and he's going, I don't know how to sell it. This is what you do. This is what you do, Matthew Kelly. Listen very carefully. Go to one of your stocks. Go to the stock that you've got. All right? Go here. Go sell. Go limit order. Limit order, what I would suggest you do, you can do a stop trail loss where you can do a 1% drop, 2% drop, whatever. That's probably what I would do. So a trailing stop order and then say, pick 1%, 2%, 5%. So a percent, go a percent. I don't know. Put 2%. Put how many shares you want to sell. I would suggest all of them. So if you've got 100, write in 100. Okay? Review the order and do that. That's what I would do. That way you'll get your money out. You've made a lot of money. If you just go sell, it will probably sell at $7 or $8. It's moving very quickly. You just can't see it. Okay? It's moving very, very quickly. You just can't see it. So even though it looks like it's just going straight up and the world is just perfect, it's doing this very quickly. All right? So if I was in the stock now, which I should be, I would be doing a stop trail order at maybe 5%, something like that, and then letting it run. Okay. Hey, your review from yesterday prompted the world to buy SIDU. Great review, Martyn. Charm week. In fact, let's have a look. Let's see if it ranks on YouTube. If that's the case, that's probably why. Let me have a look. So, SIDU stock. SIDU stock analysis. Another stock. No, I don't rank number one for it. I wouldn't have expected to on the first day. That would be crazy. I'm just checking to see if I rank for it. I don't. No. Let me show you what I've just done there, just so you can see. I can do it in incognito, and I can search for time for another. Sidus Sidus Space. I have two at the top. They are there, but look, top channels for this search term. No, I don't rank for it. So it's nothing to do with me. It's nothing to do with me. I mean, it's being seen, but it's nothing to do with me. It's certainly going to get a lot.
Space.
It's certainly going to get a lot of views today, though. Oh my God. Yeah. What platform? Well, not all. Yeah. Why did you sell? I'm tempted. Why wouldn't you sell? Listen, folks, if you are up to... Oh, my gosh. Man. If you're up 137%, you sell any stock. If you're up 137%, you sell any stock. That's about 6 or 7 years on the S&P. No doubt about it. Right, Martin, let's not miss any more opportunities. EOS Energy. If you want to book a review, we got to do it in order. Again, I'm doing the right thing for everybody, not what's right for me. Okay? I'm going to do what's right for the viewers, not what's right for me. 155%! 162! Oh, my 172! Oh! 175%. I've never seen anything like it. Oh my God. This is the greatest loss ever. Oh my flipping heck. Ay. Martin, you taught me not to FOMO when I joined your channel. What now? You can't buy it. You cannot buy that. You mustn't buy it. It can run and run now, but I'd strongly suggest don't doing it. You don't ever FOMO into a stock. Oh, this is a huge day. SIDU is up so much this point. Just sell at market. But this could see $20. I would sell a half and ride the rest. Says Martini Racer. Sell all, get back in if it halts up again. 176, absolutely. How did it rank on Alpha Spread? What, my video? Sidus Space, I don't know if they posted it yet. It only went out this morning. It's not there yet. No, it's not there yet. It's not arrived there yet. I've just done it. No, it's not. It'll be there in a minute, but it's not there yet. So, no. I think I think the whole world wishes they watched your world premiere SIDU review yesterday. I missed it, and now I'm feeling regret for doing so. I know. Resumption is 11:08 now. Oh my God. 12. I have never seen anything like it. I'm already in them. I'm resumption. Wow, I sold early, but it's okay. This is amazing. I sold and got back in this whole. How many shares do you think you'd have purchased if you did get back in the stock? How many shares? Probably 1,000. I was going to go all in on it. Oh my God. This is one of the biggest days. No doubt about it. A troll has just cost me a small fortune. Never, ever make that mistake again. Oh my gosh. I've got to do something. Duplicate. Ay. Let me copy that. I'm making an alteration here to the live show. I am annoyed though. Even though I'm joking. Grippy
has become a member.
Even though I'm sort of joking and doing what's right for you, I do feel a bit pissed. I do, because you work so hard for those days and you get them and you literally don't do anything about it. So yeah. Never going to get past that. Right. I need to download this a minute. Just bear with me. I'm just doing a bit of work here in the background. Download. Save image as. Save image as siddu.jpg. Done that. Thank you, Grippy, for becoming a member. Do you know what all your perks are? Do you know what all your perks are? If not, let me know and I will do it for you. Okay. Sidus Space. Now then, we're going to stick with this now. Is the portfolio doing well? Yeah, we're in the green. When do I think Virgin Galactic will do the same? Well, if we've got this happening and we've got Rocket Lab doing the same thing, 6% today, then Virgin Galactic could easily with this. It could easily do the same thing. It probably do it in the next couple of weeks when we get to Paris Hilton. Was already a member. I just renewed it. Thank you, Grippy. Thank you very much indeed. Thank you so much for your support to the channel. So you know all 214%. You are having a laugh. You are absolutely having a laugh. Unbelievable. 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 The biggest regret I've ever had on the channel, bar none. Bar none. 232. This is rubbing it in. This is rubbing it in. Absolutely. This is absolutely rubbing it in beyond belief. I cannot believe this. This channel is called Big Cool News. That the rates highest for SIDU on your YouTube channel is a sham channel. That idiot just replays the same recording for months on end as it's. What's that? The channel is called Big Cool News, and that rate's highest for SIDU. Oh, it's a scam channel. He just replays all the time, does he? Yeah. That's the sort of stuff people do. 232% up. Oh my God. That is unbelievable. You've got to take profits, guys. If you don't take profits now, you're going to regret it. I'm telling you, it doesn't matter how much this goes up now. You are making what you'd make in 20 years on the S&P 500. You can reinvest it and do it again on something sensible. It's going up, but you've got to take your seed money out and hold it again. Incredible. Incredible. Right. So we're going to keep our eye on this now because this is a very, very big deal. It's going again. It's going to go again. Live phone in. If you want to be live on the show, you can. You can call in. Live, we alerted you to this in advance. Okay, let me put the link of the stream in. I want to put this out. See if we can get some people coming in and give us some information. Here we go. I'm just advertising this on a few of my platforms. SIDU, Sidus. Got to keep your wits about you now. Don't get carried away. But they are flying on SpaceX. Okay, put that out and put it on X. And we'll do a poll on it as well. I'm going to do a poll. I want to see what everyone's doing with this. If everyone's going to hold it. Okay. Let's run a poll. Let me share with you on the screen the poll. Okay. Let me take that out of there. Vote in poll. In poll. Okay. Are you holding or taking profit? Are you holding or are you taking profit? What is your sentiment? So I want to know what you're going to do. You're going to hold the stock or you're taking profit. So I want to know which way you're going to jump with this. Are you holding it or are you taking profit? Okay. There is the poll. Okay. So let's see. Let me give everyone the link to this. Copy link. So are you holding it or taking profit here? There is the poll. I will give it to my LinkedIn audience that are watching me. I will give it to my kickers as well. I will give it to my Rumble audience as well. Please vote on this poll. I will give it to my Facebook audience. Okay. And obviously X, there it is. There is the poll. Please vote on that. Are you selling Sidus Space? I'm 178% now. Where do I find SIDU? Don't see it on eToro. It's on Robinhood. I'm looking at it right now. We are on it right now. This is our account. We alerted you before this yesterday on the reviews. Okay. The overall portfolio is slightly down. Virgin Galactic is not reacting to this, even though we've got Rocket Lab is up today 5.6%, and Sidus Space is up 178. Let's read your comments. Buy the hype, sell the news, people. SIDU look to have peaked. I would not be surprised if they drop an offering now at $10 a share to raise capital. I wouldn't be surprised either because they've got no money. That's a very, very good... in fact, that's a very, very good point. I'm going to put that out as a video. That is very, very good point. I'm going to use that. Thank you, Martini. 222. 222. SIDU. Okay, here we go. I like that comment very much. Right, let's bring that on the screen. Breaking news here on Martyn Lucas Investor. You can see Sidus Space now. It went over 200% at one point, up 178. I warned everybody and gave everyone the chance to get this yesterday. It was one of our reviews. We covered it live on the show and did a full review for you. And this is the point of educating yourself to study a stock and realize when it's going to go. There is my review yesterday. We studied the balance sheet, the profit and the loss, deep dive, and then live live on the show, I bought it and said it's going to go up. And it did. And it did. And it pretty much, excuse me, went up to the amount I said. I said it could go to $15 live on the show and in my review. And as you can say, it's gone up. Now then, one of our biggest investors here on Virgin Galactic, he has over 460,000 shares of Virgin Galactic, has made a very, very good point. And this is the point here. He says, SIDU look to have peaked. I would not be surprised if they drop an offering now at $10 a share to raise capital. Now, we explained that yesterday on the review. It's wonderful to see the stock price go up like this, but if we look at the balance sheet on SIDU, very, very important to look at the balance sheet. And let me share with you on the screen why it went up today and where it's going to go from here. They've got no money. They've got 17 million in assets. This is a satellite space company. They've got 9 million in liabilities. The balance sheet is fine. There is no long-term debt because it's not been around that long. Short-term debt is only 500,000. That's fine. But cash, they've only got 1.6 million. They've only got 1.6 million. They can't do anything with that. And now they've got the business with SpaceX. So where does it go from here? Well, they need to raise more money. So I wouldn't be surprised if that happens. So I would say that Martyn Racer is absolutely spot on. I would absolutely be taking my profit right now, expecting a dilution. Will it happen? Well, we don't know, but that's what I would expect to happen. But the purpose of this is make sure that you do go and look on the homepage of my channel and see all my reviews. My reviews are done. We've got how many have we got in this playlist now? I've got 46. You can't quite see it off the screen. It's just here off the side. 46 reviews. The latest one was Sidus Space. I review stocks, very deep dive into the financials, work out if they're good value or not, and then put them out for the members first. Members get the videos first and they premiere. Everyone can see them. But please do make sure that you do study the stocks, but also take your profits, because this is great that it's gone up like this. However, they've got no cash. They're going to need to raise some cash. Okay, they absolutely are going to need to do that. So I think Martyn Racer, you're spot on with that comment. Thank you, John. As Paul Knoll said, buy the hype, sell the news. But yeah, that's great, but do more research. You need to know why it's gone up and where it goes from here. Jordan Allen says, Martin, who gave you the heads up about SIDU, that's a massive gapper. Man, I wish I watched the world premiere review yesterday, straight after the closing bell. Do the research. I do all the reviews for you. I gave you the information. It was absolutely clearly a buy. And here it goes. Here it goes. We've just dropped. Now, this could be the next level to buy in. Oh, it's going down quick. Did you sell? Did you take your profit? I said to everybody, take the profit. I told you when to buy it and when to sell it. I hope you heeded what I just said. All right. Now, it can go again, but I would expect them to dilute and I would expect it to drop further. It could go up from here, but you've got to take profit. Now, 136%. It was at 200 a few moments ago. Respect the money. Remember, that's about 15 years on the S&P. 15 years of the best basket of funds in the world. 15 years growth in an hour. So you've got to take profits. If you don't take profits now, you will never take profits and you will constantly lose money. I hope you all took your profits. I hope you did. Don't feel bad if it goes up again. It doesn't matter. You've taken profits. They're going to need to dilute. They're running out of money. I've shown you the balance sheet. Let me bring in some more comments here. So do look to have peaked. Maybe look out for a big offering now for the raise of capital. Absolutely right. I sold oil early when I was learning how oil works. I missed out on a $250,000 once. There you go. Very important. Don't feel bad, Martin. And it's been stopped on the way down as well now. There you go. What else have we got? We've got someone here saying, where do I find SIDU? Don't see it on eToro. I can only tell you it's on Robinhood. Sorry, I can't do any more than that. Part of the reason I didn't buy SIDU yesterday is I would not have been able to sell it until today, as I would have had to sell shares in something else to buy it. But it's fun watching it. There you go. That answers one of the members' questions. Loud work. I'm glad you're here. I'm going to answer one of your questions in a minute. I'm making a video at the moment, so come back to you in a moment. I'm going to use my SIDU gains on Space. Congratulations, 196% up on SIDU now. Fantastic. Have you just sold? I sold. Fantastic. I'll buy back when it cools down. It's halted now. Sold SIDU at 11.50. Congratulations. Me too. 11.50. There you go. So, many of you now have got out of the stock. Smash the like button, folks. Make sure that you smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. I gave you this information before. Make sure that you do have the bell rung. It's very, very important to say you have the bell rung on. And let me explain what I mean. Subscribe and ring the bell. You can go and check. This is how you do it. You click here, look. You can go and check it right now. Click unsubscribe and subscribe again. Make sure you've got the bell turned on all and the notifications on your device turned on. You can go to other channels and turn them off if you're getting too many notifications. So that's how that works. But there you go. Sidus Space. Sidus Space. We reported on it yesterday. We gave you the information. Go and check out the full review list. Let me give you the links to all of my reviews, the alpha spread here, or down in the description of this video. I'll also put it over here, and I'll also put more Sidus Space over here. Keep yourself informed. If you got profit like this, take it. You've made more money here than you could make on the S&P in 15 years. You can then take it and then buy the S&P. Wouldn't that be wonderful? Wouldn't that be wonderful? There it is. There's the information. What a great day on the show for some. Not for others. Watch my previous video about Sidus Space. I'll put that over here as well. Go and check that out. And there's more to this story than I've just explained. Till next time, take care of yourselves and each other. All right, okay. I'm holding at 769. I set a limit order at 1020 in case it falls. Okay, fair enough. Very good. Overall portfolio is in the red today. I should be massively in the green. Virgin Galactic is down 3%. There you go. Palantir, gold, the S&P, Amazon, Apple, NEE holding up, Enphase come back up, Coca-Cola going up, J&J up. It's good. Chevron taking a bit of a dip. Let's bring these comments in. Ian Jackson, resumption 9. I bought 100 more of Space with SIDU profits. Very, very good idea on this dip. Very good idea. Very good idea. I really think, Damon, that's a very, very good move. Let me put that on the screen. Very, very good move, that. Very, very sensible. Let me open up the audience to the public. We are in members-only mode at the moment, but I'm going to give everyone the chance to come in for a moment. We're going to wrap up the show in a second. Back to Sidus. See where it is now. It's halted. It might... some exchanges, not Robinhood, have temporarily halted. So it's not halted on Hood. Some exchanges have, but not on Hood. You can still trade it. Resumption is 9. Matthew Kelly gets dropping now. Space wasn't down, I'd be green. Yes, I would be the same. Yes, I would be the same. I'd be green if Space wasn't down. But let's see if Space is still holding its uptrend. It does look like it is. Yeah, we've got no issue here. No issue. Virgin Galactic is good. It's just preparing for its next leg up, I would say. Great info there. Thanks. Keep it coming. I just bought PayPal and EB. Rafael Perez. Congratulations to you. Back to SIDU. We'll keep our eye on it. Very exciting morning. Let's see what's trending. We've had 390 people through the stream so far. What's everybody looking at? Yeah, SIDU. That's getting the attention on all my stocks and all my videos by the looks of things. Subscribers 13,238, 244. That's very nice. Thank you guys for subscribing to the channel. First time I've watched live on YouTube. Really fascinating. Thanks, Martin. First time I've watched live on YouTube. Ian. Welcome, Ian. Is it the first time that you've watched my show or the first time you've watched any show live? Ian, where are you from? Welcome to the show. Lovely to have you here. What part of the world are you from? Price is $8.80 now. Yeah, Sidus Space is dropping like a stone now. Paul Knowles, Ian Jackson, where do you find the information about the resumption price? I like that. That's interesting. Where have you got that? Ian Jackson, if you can send that in to me via Discord, I can actually use that information. That would be very, very useful. So if you could send that in to me, that would be very, very nice. Would everybody please welcome Ian in? We've got a new guest that's just come into the channel. Welcome to you. It says, first time I've watched live on YouTube, or is it the first time you've watched my show live? I'd love to know. If so, I'd like to give you an introduction to what it's all about, what we're doing here. I data on DAS Trader. On DAS Trader? Could you send me the link for that, how you find those numbers? I mean, you've got access to Discord, so you can actually send that in to me, and I can put that on the show and make that... let me give you the Discord link. If you give me the link of the page where you are on that page, that shows wherever you are, so I can actually use it and share it with everybody else. That would be a very, very useful metric to use. Anyway, that'd be awesome. Oh, there, thanks. Keep... yes, if you could, that'd be very, very good. Yes, we'll send now. Brilliant. Your show. I've watched you on TikTok a lot. I am from Bedfordshire. Oh, wonderful. It's the first time you've watched my show live. I watch you on TikTok a lot. It's much better here on YouTube, Ian. Thanks for joining me from TikTok. Very nice to have you here. We go live up to 10 hours a day. I'm not a YouTuber. I'd like to explain that. I'm the World Piano Man. I've created a TV show. This is my music channel. This is me wearing Elton John's jacket, doing Lion King and Phantom of the Opera, my Vegas Showgirls show in Vegas and all over the world. I've done reviews for Matthew Perry a few weeks ago when he passed away, and do tribute events and those in Gaza and Israel. This is who I am. I'll give you my link to my music channel, but I don't try and sell videos or get people to subscribe. It's not about that. I go live up to 10 hours a day to try to be the most honest, real live, like my music show, like my live concerts, bringing an honest, real show. Not about selling videos and stuff like that. Yep, Sidus Space is now collapsed. There it goes, straight back down again. Hopefully you all took the profit. Hopefully you all made money on it. The information was there for you. I gave you the information and why we did all the reviews. Sorry, why we did the review on it. There it is. There's the full playlist of the reviews. There was the review. Told you that it was going up. There I told you I was buying the stock. Where is it? Beg your pardon. Yes, there's the review. And there is, let me just show you where it is. There is me when I said to buy it. And now we've just said to get out. Fantastic. All right. Ian Jackson, thank you for sending that now. I'll go and have a look when you've sent it. Let me know when you've done it. Runs like SIDU can happen over several days. 20 is a good marker. I have a question. If the data that came out is bad, why the stocks are rising? If the data that came out is bad, why the stocks are rising? That is a very big question. And honestly, there's lots of, that's a very difficult thing to answer. Stocks don't go up or down just because of the obvious, they beat on earnings or they got some good news. There's many, many reasons why a stock moves. It's not a simple answer, I'm afraid. You have to do more research, which is why I do the reviews. We look at the news, the balance sheet, the numbers, the trends, the inside trading, the short position, everything. You need a full understanding of the company before you can just buy on news or whatever. There's a lot more to it than that. Is SIDU in the same sector as space? No, it's not space tourism. It's satellites. It's a bit like Virgin Orbit, which we know went bankrupt. I don't want to trigger a wash sale, says Jose. I don't want to trigger it. Support at 10 cent, pal. Thank you, Ian Jackson. Thank you very much indeed. Where have you sent it? Where did you put it? Ian Jackson. Fantastic. Thank you very much indeed. You've sent me the picture. What is the link though? You've sent me a picture. I want to be able to use the service. You've sent me a very useful picture. Thank you very much. Can you now send me, I see where it says the resumption here. This is very useful. Can you send me the page that's on? The link to that page so I can then have it, sign up for the service or whatever I need to do so then I can see what's going on myself. So if you could send me the link to wherever you got that from, that would be very, very useful. Thank you very much. Will there be another red day tomorrow? That's that's an impossible question to answer. I don't honestly know the answer to that. I think Thursday, typically, Virgin Galactic gets its bounce after hours, which would make sense why we're getting this drop before the buy. That's my account, buddy. No, I appreciate that, but send me the link. I know you don't want to send me the link to your account, I understand, but send me the link to the service, the website, and the page that you're on to see that. I don't want the link to your account, but I'd like the link to the website, the service that you are using would be very, very helpful. Das Trader. Oh, it's just dastrader.com. That's all it is. Okay. All right, I've got it now, Ian. Stephen Lewandowski has sent it in. dastrader.com. Thank you very much, Stephen. And it's on the stock, right? So you go to the stock at your actual stock position, and that's what you see. The resumption. Okay. Resumption price. I got you. Thank you for that. I've got it all now. Now, when I get time, I will get that set up. It's a window-based application. Okay. Thank you very much. That's it. Great. Could you tell about MVST? Ramesh, you are a member. Would you like to book a review? If so, I can add that to the list. So would you like a review on MVST? Let me make sure I haven't already done one for MVST. It sounds familiar to me. Let me just have a quick look. Scroll down the list. MVST. Have I done a review for you on MVST? MVST. No, I haven't. Right. I can add you to the list then to do a review. Okay. So Ramesh is one of our members. So MVST. What is the name? I need the name of the business as well. I need the name of the business as well, not just the ticker, to make sure it's the right one for you. Ramesh. SIRAJASINGAM. I need the name of the business as well, not just the ticker, to add it. Okay, if you could do that, I would appreciate that. All right. Because when I get to you, if I don't have the full name, I won't know which one it is. You have to sign up through a broker, download the software. Okay, it's a window-based. That's it. Thank you. I was going to sell at $13, but putting my washing on the radiator, I keep it now until the next run. Says Paul. I wouldn't be in that now. I'd have taken that profit, but we'll see. It could easily go again. Can we see the list before you go? Oh, loud work. Yes, loud work. That's what I was saying. Loud work asked me. Here he is. Are you here? Are you here? He asked me to do a review. He asked me, I beg your pardon, to do a list of the full list. Right? So I put it in it's in general chit chat on Discord. There it is. Okay. There it is. As requested by Loudwork. Present. There you go. I haven't created a channel for it yet because the trouble is people jump to the top and it changes so often. I also posted it on my X account as well. If you look on my X account, I also posted it here as well. I gave a full list of the review of it. It's down here somewhere. There you go. On my X account. See that? Look. There you go. So I posted it on my X account. So I wanted you to know, Loudwork, that I did do your request. I haven't created a channel yet, but I have done it like that for now. And I'll update it, of course, but I haven't done a channel just yet. All right. We're down just because of Virgin Galactic. That's the only reason why we're down today. That's why a diverse portfolio is essential, because overall my portfolio is actually up again. J&J is going to do really well. Thank you. It's Microvast Holding. Okay, thank you very much. I'm going to copy that now. There you go. I have now added that. Okay, thank you very much, Ramesh. That's now on the list. Okay, we're going to wrap up today's show. No reviews today. I had a break from doing reviews today. Tomorrow, we got the closing bell today, of course, but tomorrow, upcoming live streams, Meet the CEO. Meet the CEO, part 2. And we're interviewing all the CEOs. It's Jefferson Boots, a former CEO, is coming back on the show. Tomorrow in the closing bell, talking about the gold mine. Many of you bought the gold mine with me, and we're going to talk to him tomorrow. He's going to update you with information. Don't miss that. Then, of course, we've got Paris Hilton with Virgin Galactic Flight, January the 26th. We'll be there live for that, of course. All good stuff coming up here on the show. Please pump SIDU back above 14. Thank you. We don't pump and dump any stocks. We explain that many, many times. We just give informed information of what's going on. We're not here to pump and dump anything. That's not what we do. All right. Got some questions here. Got some questions here on X. Alex, thanks for your follow. Say cheese. Thanks for your follow. A professional photographer. Welcome to you. Welcome to you. And who have we got here? Alex Laput. Thank you to you as well. What else have we got here coming up? So have I got any questions to answer? Thanks for the reposts. I wish I bought this morning. I could have doubled my position on this one. Had 6,000 waiting to buy. Next time. Next time. Next time. Don't worry about that. Any more questions? No, I've replied to everybody. That's good. Apple, Next Era Energy, Enphase, Coca-Cola. Straight back up. Right. We're going to wrap up today's show. I've got these videos to get out. GNS review. Lax. It's a unfortunately it's a members only perk. It's a members only perk. You can only have a review if you are a member. I've got 98% of my live viewers are members, and the highest engagement of any channel on YouTube. And we're very, very proud of that. And because of that, it's one of the many perks they get. Here's the link. If you'd like me to do a review for you, I will do the research. I will do up to 1 hour video for you. If you are on an iPhone, you need to select a browser, and then you need to request the desktop version if you're on an iPhone. Everything else works with that link perfectly well. If you become a member, you get many, many perks. One of those is a review I'll do. And you can have as many reviews as you want. I will join today. Well, as soon as you join, it'll go on the list. If you want it to be done straight away, and it can be done in this afternoon's show, you do a super chat, take it to the top, and I will do it for you. If you don't do a super chat, it'll be on the list, and I'll do it in turn. Okay? That's how it works. And when you become a member, I will give you many, many more perks. If you are a silver member, I put you on the homepage of the channel. You get priority over the bronze members. You also get a 20-minute fundraiser or a 20-minute concert in my music channel. Many other things you get. But a bronze member will get you your review if you wish to do it. It's only a couple of bucks. All right. Okay, we're going to wrap up today's show. So if you've let's do day trader of the day right now. So if you are new here, please click subscribe and ring the bell. Make sure that you have rung the notification bell, otherwise you won't get my positions when I alert you to what I'm buying and selling. Smash the like button if you've not already done so. Let's have a quick look. How many did we get in the end? 75 likes today, which is really, really high. 99.5% up like. We've now got 76. Thanks to all of you. Let's do day trader of the day. It's a competition that we do every day. Let me go back to members only. It's to find out. Oh, don't forget our giveaway. It's going to be in tomorrow night's show. We've got a $100 cash giveaway plus merchandise. If you've not yet done that, let me give you the information. Members, save, here we go. Right, here is the newsletter. It's about to go out for the competition. We're giving away $100 in cash, and we've got some merchandise as well. Here is the link to the newsletter, martynlucas.com. When you go there, you'll find all my links. There's a newsletter. You can add your name if you want to and birthday if you want to for a birthday card. And there are all the links below. There's my Alpha Spread link if you want to get the free version of Alpha Spread, completely free. There's the link right there on martynlucas.com. Go there and you can get the free version, or if you get the pro version, you can get my lifetime discount, which makes my membership for free. I'm there to help people, not to make money. I'm just trying to help people. Okay. So there's that. Don't forget that. Now then, we're going to do day trader of the day. Who's winning? Who's made the most money today? So what you do, you're watching on a mobile or a computer, make sure that you click the live button, turn it from gray to red. Now you're 30 seconds behind the stream. Now if you click the cogs and go playback speed 2 times, you are 10 seconds behind the stream. See how it speeds up? Money today. So what you do, you're watching on a mobile or a computer, make sure that you click the live button, turn it. All right, and now you're bang up to date again. Okay? There you go. Let's now do day trader of the day. What is your position? Are you up or are you down? Let's bring in the clock. 1 minute on the timer. It's Matthew Kelly. So you made some money. Brilliant. Sold to do $9 and kept 2 shares. Perfect. Finally figured out how to use a stop order. Thanks, Martyn. You're very welcome. Congratulations. You sold. You made a profit. That's all that matters. Try and do it on your off so you don't pay tax on it, but well done to you. Okay, overall, my portfolio today is down 1.21%. There you go. Please put up or down, please. $18.64. John Granfor, is that up or down? I'm assuming it's up. Down 1.21, down 1.3. Up. There, he's going to win. He's going to win today. Jonas Van Haver. Jonas, how are you today? Is Pat M, R3A, or Michelle in the show today? Down 4%. Time is running out. We're going to give the prize to John Granfor. Congratulations, John. Well done indeed. Well done to you, and give him a thumbs up. Absolutely brilliant. Congratulations, 18.64. That is a huge day. That's more than you make on the S&P in a year. Congratulations to you. All right, that's it. We're out of here. Thank you ever so much today for everyone for joining me. Time to get out of here. I guess I know. Yeah, thanks, y'all. There you go. Congratulations. Hey, hang on a minute. I've got something really exciting happening on Discord, on TikTok. I missed it. Donzi just sent a galaxy. Let me put it on the screen. Look at this. Donzi. Hey, done it again. Look at that. See that? Look, I got a galaxy on Discord. Absolutely awesome. Can you see that, folk? Look at that. Look. That's on TikTok today. I'm getting, thank you. That's one of my Luca badge owners. So now you have become a member of mine on TikTok. That's by clicking the star up there. Thank you ever so much. What I will do is I tag my my members in my viral videos. So I've got nearly 38,000 followers on TikTok now. So to help you grow and as a thank you to you, I will answer all your questions. Let me know when you're ready. I'm in hospital. Whoa. Okay. Let me stop the music. Let me stop the music, folks. We've got one of he's a Luca badge owner. He's called Doncy J21. Okay. Let me know when you're ready. I am in hospital at the moment. Are you not well? Are you not very well? Because what we'd like to do now is send you some love. You say you're not well. What's up? What's up? Just let me know. Is there something wrong? I'm in hospital at the moment. This is one of my Luca badge owners. He's one of our subscribers. I want to just find out what's wrong, and then we're going to give some love. Let me just find out what it is. Don C, where are you? Don C J21. What's up? I'm just talking. You're being shared now across all my platforms, all around the world. I just want to know what's up. You said you're in hospital. I think we've lost him. Oh no, Crohn's disease. I'm terribly sorry to hear that. So what we're going to do now is we're going to send you some love because you're one of our members, right? So it's Don C, everybody. So what we're going to do, we're going to come back over to here, and we're going to put, what shall I do? I'll put this on the screen. Get well, Don C, please. Can everyone please copy and paste? There you go. Let me put that on the screen. You ready? So here we go. Get well, DONSIE. Get well, Doncy. I'm going to add some love here. Let me just scroll down. Let me do it. I've got to get to the love. There we go. Get well soon. There we go. Oh, that one there. Get well soon. There you go. Right, I'm going to copy that. I want Donty to see this, right? Because he's got Crohn's disease right now. He's in the hospital, right? Okay. Now then. Let me get rid of that a minute. I want everyone to do it. Whoops. Okay, here we go. It should start scrolling now. If everyone can copy and paste, please. Like this. Look, get well, Doncy. I've done it like this so he can see it on... Right, I'll stop doing it now so everybody else can do it. Right, now you should be able to see this on TikTok. I've zoomed in as much as I can. And you'll see in a couple... See all the love coming up? There you go. You'll just keep watching and you'll see it scrolling. Here it goes. All right? There you go. If you join us next time on YouTube, linked in the profile, you can meet all the family. God bless everyone. Thank you. I am new here. Just let me know when I can find the list of your portfolio. Awesome. Well, Doncy, this is how you do it. It's youtube.com/@Martyn Lucas Investor. The link's in the profile. You've either got the all links button on my website, martynlucas.com, which will show you my YouTube channel and all my links where I post all my portfolio, or you got the YouTube link. You just come out of the live show, look on the profile, and you can jump in. There you go. Look, everyone's doing it now. Look, you're getting all this love. See all this? This is in the YouTube chat for you. All right? There you go. Fantastic. All right, everyone's doing it. You got Matthew Kelly, you got Paul Knowles, the Queen of Self-Braiding, Cham, Stephen Lewandowski. They're all jumping in for you, and all the hearts that are coming up. If you pop into YouTube now, just click on come out of the live show, click on the little profile. You can come straight into YouTube. You can say, "Hey, I'm Doncy from TikTok," and everybody will see you. I'll give you 1 minute if you want to do that. I'm just about to end the show. If you pop on in, everybody will see you. Okay, so I'm going to go back to the show at the minute. Let me just bring that up there a minute. And let's go back over here. All right. There we go. Thank you ever so much, everybody, for doing that. You've made somebody very happy today in hospital, which is always nice. What it's all about, right? Sidus Space is going again, but I'd be very, very careful of it now. It's going to need to dilute, no question about that. There you go. More love just coming in for Dauncey. If he comes on into YouTube in the next minute, I will. You'll all see him. But if not, I'm going to end the show. So let me roll the credits. If he comes in time, then that'll be great. If not, I'm going to roll the credits. All right. Okay. See you all back this afternoon. Get well, Dauncey from Steve Wally. There we go. Paul Knowles. Lovely stuff. Let's roll the credits. And it's been halted again. Roll the credits. Stars of our show today. Got a few false accounts here, which I'm going to get rid of now. I'm going to delete all of these, and I'm going to delete our Twitch integration, because we keep getting scammers every day come in and wasting my time. That's all. Those followers aren't real. I will take away the integration of Twitch. I've been trying to leave it there, but they persist on doing it, so I'll just delete it, and then we won't have it anymore. So we'll get to the real people in a second. Apologise for that. Makes them feel proud of themselves. He said, I'll catch you this afternoon. Fantastic, thank you. We'll be through the nonsense in a moment. This won't happen again. I'm going to delete it. I'm not going to have this anymore. Here we go. Subscribers: William Walsh, Adrian Dobbles, Dermot Campbell and John Henson. New members: Patrick G, Paul Stone, Crag, Jordan Allen and Grippy. We didn't get any super chats today. Never mind. That's the way it goes sometimes. Not to worry. Anyway, we're all done. Thank you ever so much indeed. That's it from me. I will see you back for the premieres. I will see you back for the closing bell. Dauncey didn't come in. That was a shame. I was hoping he was going to pop on in right at the last minute, but hopefully he'll come and join us next time. He's not feeling very well. Everyone send love to Dauncey from here to hospital, and all those galaxies were pretty exciting. I enjoyed all that. That was brilliant. Anyway, there you go. I will see you all back this afternoon. Look out for the premieres, and it's going to be a good day, right? I don't want to hear all about the tears later when you didn't get back in. Take care of your money, yourselves, your crypto, and most importantly, take care of each other. Bye-bye for now.